don't feel like doing these clothes right now, washing these clothes. It just, you don't feel like it. I mean, if you always want to go to the gym, that's cool. It's people that's like that, or if you always want to fold clothes, it's people that's like that. I get that. I'm just not one of those. I'm really not one of those people. I don't always want to do those things. Um, sometimes you do. Sometimes you like can't wait to go to the gym. So today's one of those days I feel like trading a little bit. Feel like it, feel like looking at the candles.
Okay, okay.
It's a difference though. Some people say I love to trade. Some people like I like to make money. So sometimes,
Right, right,
trade is how you
right,
get to the bread. So sometimes
right.
once you really know what you're doing, yeah, I like to get to the bread. Sure. Everybody.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know what
Well,
y'all think. We should make a poll. What y'all think? Put a one in the chat box if you always feel like trading. Like you always, you like, man, I'm trying to get on that. What's up? Somebody put so many ones at a time. Crazy. Y'all always feel like it. That's what's up. Hey man, hey, I got a extra computer. Y'all come get it, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all come get it. I'll fund your account. Hey, come on, man. I don't always, but that's just me. That's just me. I see somebody say,
What you what you do when you don't feel like it? You still trade anyways, or how you go about that?
if I don't feel like it, I don't do it. If I don't feel like it, I don't do it.
Respect.
If I have to
Yeah, I
have
done
a
had
plan,
plenty of times like that.
what'd you say?
I done had days like that, and then I ended up trading, and it ain't go. You know what I'm saying? I should just listen to my consciousness the first time.
Yeah, yeah. Typically, man, it's like that. Because you don't want to trade. Sometimes you don't want to. That's cool. For me, that's cool. Sometimes you don't want to trade. Sometimes you just don't want to. If you don't want to, you don't want to. It's a difference between trading and doing what I'm doing right now, though. Like trading is a whole different thing than kind of running a trade room. I like connecting with the community. I like talking. I like the people here. Like that, I don't ever mind doing. But like looking at candles and trying to figure out what they're doing and all that sort of stuff, I don't always want to do that. I do not always want to be patient. I do not always want to be disciplined. I do not always want to wait for my setup. I do not, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't always want to do that. But, goes with the job, so you got to do it.
No, that's facts.
Kind of goes with the gig. Kind of goes with the gig. Here we go. All right, any questions before we get rolling? All right, man, let's do it. Pin message. Let's go check the news, and then after that, we'll get cracking. We will get going. All right, here we go. Can everybody see my screen? Put a Y in the chat box if you can, please, or say yes. So I know it's
Yes.
Yes.
real.
Yes.
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 Tell me it's real. The feeling that I feel.
Yes.
And tell me that it's real. Don't let love come. That song used to be good. Pass you by. Try. All right, let's check some news. No red folders. So it should be calm. Unemployment and all the stuff came out today. Looks like a mixed bag. Philly Fed, core retail sales month over month, and unemployment claims. Pretty simple stuff. All right, cool. We got that, so that's not so bad, but looks to be a calm day. Other things that we'll run into, man, we got business inventories, pending home sales, natural gas stores. So it should be a pretty cool day
Oh, just
today.
that's for
Very calm.
January.
No news.
Give it about 3 months or so. That way,
Let's also check our domestic news. Let's check Econo Day, Thursday, July 16th. Oh, you know what? The Odyssey comes out today, doesn't it? The movie? That should be good. I'm gonna watch that.
Yeah, I think so, though.
Jobless claims, retail sales, Philly Fed. That's all 8:30. We just got past that. Business inventories, housing market, and pending home sales. We just got past that. EIA natural gas. We on that right now. Oh, you know what? I need to turn on the IG. Any questions about the announcements? Any
Ye-
questions?
yes, I had a question. Based off of the announcements, how do you know whether it's going to be a good day in the market, bad day, or a calm day? I don't understand what you're looking at to determine that.
To me, tell me what's a good day and tell me what's a bad day.
Well, I guess what I mean is like a busy day, like a lot of movement as far as how much instrument can swing. I guess is what I'm really trying to say.
Oh yeah, like if it's a lot of news, then you expect a lot of reaction. That's very true, a lot. But if it's not a lot of news, then there's not a whole lot of, reacting back and forth to it or anything like that. So it's kind of easy. Um,
Okay.
yeah, but good or bad to me, totally different question. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
market can go down and I have a good day. The market can go up and I have a bad day, so that's not really a thing. Sometimes it's just some days there's so many announcements going on that it's going to be a lot of people, a lot of market reactions, you know what I'm saying? A lot of stuff going on those days. And typically around those announcements, you'll get these big spikes in the market, like the market will go crazy. And if that happens, we just have to be ready for it whenever we can anticipate it. You know what I mean?
All right. Thank you.
Oh man, it's all good. Welcome, Instagram. Everybody say what's up, Instagram. Say what's up.
What's up,
What's
What's
up,
up,
Instagram?
Instagram?
What
Instagram?
up,
Hey,
IG?
man.
Welcome. You have to look for the
I'm
link somewhere and join us right here, Instagram.
telling you.
Good morning, Jay. This is my first time.
What's up, Owen? You good? Look
Morning,
at you.
I'm
I
good.
Owen.
I'm
ain't
All
good.
talked in a
right.
long time.
Welcome.
Eiffel Tower, you still making TV shows? Good morning, Owen, man. It's good to see you. If y'all want to join the room, go to join.jthetradercares.com and you can definitely get into the room from there. I'm sure the link is somewhere in there. Pin the comment. All right. Any questions about the market or any questions about the news before we get going? Can we roll? All right, then let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll.
Y'all welcome Owen to the room. First time. Glad to see you, Owen.
For real, man. Very, very good to see you. I appreciate you hanging out for a little minute. Uh, I'm sharing right now, and we have a tour. Let's give like a tour for people who never seen it before. I know, like looking at charts or trying to figure out what does all the lines or boxes mean. I'm on a platform right now called Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader is just a platform that people trade on. You know what I'm saying? Like nothing magical about that. When I'm trading, you'll see multiple charts. Over here is the NASDAQ, the NQ. This is gold, GC. This is the S&P 500, also called the ES. And over here, this is the 30-year treasuries, 30-year treasury bonds. And it's called a ZB, so I'm doing that all the time. These are the four instruments that I'm going to look at. They have very good relationship to one another. They allow me to see things with a lot of ease every day. So these are the instruments that I trade. I'll start off in the bonds because, hey, why not? That's where I always start off. Okay, we getting down lower. That's what I was looking for. I think we talked about this when was this a couple days ago? I think we said we should sell a couple days ago. Yeah, because hey, it's a lot of unfinished business to the downside, and I could see the market really trying to, finish that taco 109.02. So we got to get down, and I think today's as good a day as any. So believe the sellers over here. Please, would you please believe in the sellers? Okay. Levels that I'm watching. I am going to watch 110.16 and I'm watching 111.22. Finally, take me all the way home, 108.31. 4 hour chart, same sort of business, same business, nothing crazy, same stuff. Um, what are we looking for? What are we looking for? Okay. I like a few things over here. It's like some unfinished stuff, you know? I see some unfinished business, so I'll watch for things like 109.21. I'll watch for some stuff like 109.11, you know? But I'm looking for that good move to the downside. This is a third time down here, so maybe three times a charm. Okay. 60
Okay.
minute
60
chart.
minute chart.
Do I have an echo? Can I echo? Can I echo?
Nah, I hear you fine, brother.
Okay, oh, cool, 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 cool. Just making sure I don't have any of the lives going in the wrong direction. Okay, prices that I would either buy or sell. Even though I'm at a place where you should get long, I'm going to sell it because I'm going to be contrarian here. Okay. Order filled. Do not take these trades because they're not good yet. But I'm doing that so I can remind myself that, hey, Jay, today we're supposed to be selling the bonds. Okay. Prices where I would take trades 111.21. I would sell that 111.11. I would sell that. I would sell 111.00. I definitely sell it. I would honestly, yeah. I think 110.23 should get that work. Yeah, sell that guy. Submitted. Things I would buy. If I had wings, I would fly. Order submitted. 110.06. Order submitted. Bippity boppity. Order submitted. 110. 109.22. Order submitted. I don't see anything until we get there. Order submitted. I think this should be about it, man. I think that's it. Order submitted. That's it. That's all I got. I don't have nothing else. Those are the prices that I want to trade. I want to trade 110.16, 110.12, 110.06, double O. These are the prices that I want to trade. I don't really see myself trading anything else. Any questions about this?
Yes, can you bring the chart down just a smidgen?
Oh, for
Thank you.
sure. There you go. Everybody say thanks to Wanda. Thank you, Wanda.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Wanda.
Wanda.
Thank you, Wanda.
Thank you, Wanda.
Good day. Good day. Love to the love to Wanda for sure. Oh man. You know what? And when I was in New York trading this past Friday, was it Friday? Yeah, it was Friday. I got a chance. Wanda could tell me to go to gold in person. That was cool. That was cool. That was very, very cool, man. Very cool. Okay, cool. We got the bonds down. That shouldn't be bad at all. Um, let's go to where you guys want to go next.
Go.
Okay. Y'all freaking love gold.
I'm with Wanda today.
Gold is in that chop, man. I'm telling you, it's chop suey over here. High time frame chop is gonna make it an unstable situation in my opinion. So you just got to be ready to trade on both sides. I think buyers and sellers can make money on gold today. Levels that I'll be watching out for that are key for me are down here. I like 39.77 and I like 39.55. If you have to consider levels above, I think I just have a little bit of love for 4114.3 as well as 4129.4. That's what I think I got. Does that make sense? That's cool. All right, let's keep going. 4 hour. So when I'm trading the markets, let me make sure you guys kind of know what you're looking at. If you're new, up here, that'll tell you like what instrument we're on right there. And then right here you have the time frame, because like we might look at an instrument from a 5 minute perspective or a 60-minute perspective or whatever. These are the candles, you know what I'm saying? So you got those all the time. Let me switch color too. Over here, you got the order chart. So like buys and sells. And then I want you to notice it's like three prices. Have MKT that stands for market or the ask or the bid. And that's because the market's always trading two prices at a time. The market should never be trading one price at a time. The sellers are always asking for something, and the buyers are always bidding something else. Like that's the game. Um, Down at the bottom, we got time. You know what I'm saying? And over here on the right, we got price. So we're essentially just looking at price over time. Look at Shay. That's pretty good. So we're just looking at price over time, and we're looking at this cool thing that I like to call a conversation. Just a conversation between buyers and sellers. That's all it is. All right, that's all it is. Okay, we cool? Everybody kind of got an idea what we're looking at. We all right? All
Sir.
right. Last thing I want to
New
show
people.
you on, oh, I'm sorry.
No, I was just saying, new people. You good?
New
You good,
people.
new
Yeah.
people? Ask your question. It's your
Okay.
opportunity. You can open up your
Right.
mic.
Because like people are coming and be like, man, I came to that. I was lost. I was just so lost. I was lost. And I get it. So I want you to be lost. I do not want you to be lost at all. So I'm gonna slow that thing down.
Hey Jay, I do have a question.
Okay, that's what's up.
Man, for some reason, like my Ninja Trader, it's not having like the green dot. Trying to
Oh, at
trying
the
to figure.
bottom,
Yeah, yes, sir.
your Wi-Fi is smooth. You got
Yes,
the
sir. Yep.
So it won't connect. See if it'll connect the replay. If it'll connect the replay but not live data, you got like the live data kind of isolated as the connection issue. So it's not a platform ability to connect, it's the platform's ability to connect to live data. And then once you isolate that, I would check the live data source first. If you
Okay.
still can't connect, then chances are you probably need a new SQLite file.
Gotcha. Okay, bet. Bet.
But what I do, no lie, I would not do customer service for Ninja Trader because it's gonna be a whole day before they get back to you. I go to ChatGPT and customer service my own situation.
I see. Okay. Most
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah,
Appreciate it.
for sure.
This is Lisa. I have a quick question too. Okay, I was
Elite.
the one asking about the ticker. I know you all said gold. You went to gold, but
Yeah,
I can't see. Is it GC?
yeah, yeah. Are you on TradingView or Ninja
I'm
Trader?
on TradingView.
On TradingView, I think is dash GC1. Am I right
Yeah,
for that?
I think
Yeah,
that's what it's showing up as. Gold futures.
yeah, that's what you're looking for.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. You should be on the 826 contract, the August contract, and current price right now I have is 4004.6 for 4005, like in that area.
Okay, gotcha.
For sure. My line breaking. That's good. Breaking. All right, I'm on the 4 hour gold again. Appreciate you, Henry. Good to of course hear your voice always.
Yes, sir.
23s I'm watching. Mm, this looks like some downside, if you sell it, be careful because it's almost time to buy it. But you wanted to continue to make those downside moves, you kind of wanted to finish and kind of get lower. I'll do this for now, just to kind of get the party started. So I have some skin in the game or some kind of like reason to watch. But if it came down to things that I would buy or sell, I need to check another chart. Give me the 60s. We get a new hour in 8 minutes. Downside looks pretty good. Buyers are coming alive. I think 39.99 is where they are. Let me check the fives for 1 second. Let me check the 5 minute chart. Yeah. 17 and 13. All right. Okay, cool. Things I would buy and sell over here. I would sell 4108.
Order submitted.
I would also sell 4087.
Order submitted.
I would also sell 4070.
Order submitted.
I would sell 4054.2.
Order submitted.
sell 4027.
Order submitted.
I would sell 4019.
Order submitted.
Selling in this area could be very dangerous. So I would start changing my mind right in here, buying 39.99. I would buy 39.91. I would buy 39.74. I would show love to 39.56. Yeah, that guy deserves love. 56 deserves love. Jesus, then I have to go back in time. Before then, it was September. We shouldn't get lower, but if we do, I'll go check it out. We'll go back to September and kind of figure out what happened. Make sense?
Order filled.
Yes, sir. Makes sense.
Oh, yes, sir.
Right, we're selling it, but cover it because this is where you should be buying it. Anybody took those 99s the other way? Anybody? 99s other way. Take the 99s long, I get it. Cover that. I get it. If you took the 99s long, I get it. Cover that. And what did I just say you should do with the 99s?
Cover it.
Cover that.
All I said, you know what I'm saying? Like you like Rocky Balboa on them 99s, you know what I'm saying? Rocky Balboa, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be careful. You're a small fish in a big pond there going the other way. So just be careful because looks like the seller's got a pretty good head of steam.
So can I ask again, these are trades that you guys had already had set up from previously, from the dates you gave?
No, like we just set them up right now. So
Okay.
what I try and do, not every price in the market becomes something that's pivotal or creates a change of direction in the market. But what I like to do is outline the prices to me that matter today, the ones that will make the market think twice. So say if you selling, you with me, Lisa? Sound like you traded before. So say you selling. My thing is, if you selling and the market's going down, are you happy or sad? You can answer that if you want to.
You said if I'm selling and the market's going down,
Mm-hmm.
I'm happy to sell. I
Exactly.
mean, yeah.
Exactly. The only problem is a buyer got to be somewhere. So
Mm.
I try and say to myself, okay, if this thing starts going down, where are the buyers? Or if this thing starts going up, where are the sellers? And I try and also outline that for everybody in the community because
Yes.
we don't just want to sell. We want to sell and take target. You know what I'm saying? Or we just don't want to buy. We want to buy and take targets. And um, one man's entry is another man's target in the game of trading and investing. So if we selling like we are now, hey, we got to 99s. Let's see if we can get to 91s. If we get to 91s, and let's see if we get to 39.74, because those are the prices, in my opinion, that have the highest likelihood of turning this market around back to the upside.
Hmm.
You know what I mean?
That makes sense. Yes.
For sure. For sure. Great question. Y'all praise her up. That's Lisa with 2 for 2. She 2 for 2 on questions now. Kind of like her
All
now.
right. All right.
Shout out to
Thank
Lisa
you,
Reed.
Lisa.
Trying to learn. Thank you, guys.
For she's a jolly good fellow. Man, the sky is so blue today. That's a beautiful color blue. And the trees are like looking real good. Man, grass is green. Thank God. After so much nitrogen and aeration, liquid aeration, and removing the compaction, I might even have to sod this year, but whatever. The grass is finally green. I like that. All right, then. We good on goal? Y'all got more questions? Are we good? Are we good?
I'm good, thank you.
All right. Gold people who want to go. You good?
All right, cool. I'm trying to take my time, not go too fast throughout the markets. We got the Nasdaq and the ES next. Which one we going? What we doing?
NASDAQ.
NQ. Y'all just, man, you remember when the ES used to be the hottest, and like now the ES, they don't even care about you, sir. ES gets no love. This is crazy. Nasdaq looks a lot like gold, fighting to the downside, back for more. This is cool. If I'm watching prices over here, then it looks like things I should care about. The white lines, 291.51, 293.30. That's about it. 4 hour. Same chart, different time frame. Same chart, different time frame. 4 hour. I like this. I think that we should break it. Let's go down to the downside. So if I had to give it to anybody just from far away,
Order filled.
it's
Order filled.
kind of terrible that I'm doing that, but I'll do that. 4 hour prices that I'm watching, I'll give some love to 293.04. Down there at the bottom. Give some love to that. 290.13. It's weird, this is the type of situation where you anticipate the sell, but we are very much in buyer territory where buyers have the right to purchase. So that's why it looks like gold to me. It's like selling is what you want to do, but if you do it here, it could be dangerous. So, be careful. I think ultimately, though, they'll sell today. Ultimately. At least that's what I hope. Make the day easier. Yesterday, 1300 candle looked kind of crazy. Let's see what that's about. Let's go to the hourly chart. Now, things I would either sell or buy. What does gold look like? Gold looks good. Come and get these 91s before you leave, homeboy. Come get these 91s. All right, cool. I'm on the 60s. Things I was selling by 297.96. I would also sell in here 297.50. You'll take a little heat on that, but it'll work. 296.22. Also 295.90.
Submitted.
Then you have 295.01. He has such a good name. Whoever that was that just came into the room. His name is Max Steel. How cool is that? It's like an action figure. For real. Max, is that your real name?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Max. Are you there, Max?
Didn't they turn that into a movie? I know what you're talking about. It was an action figure or something.
Max Steel, can you imagine? Hello, my name
Yeah.
is Max Steel. What?
I remember Remington still.
Order filled.
Max Steel,
Detective.
that guy sounds like he's gonna take out the entire compound. Nobody left alive because I don't know, they did something to his mom as a child, and he's been training all of his life. It's like Batman. You know what I'm saying?
You trying to relate him to Mad Max, man. He was the best that ever did it.
For real? I don't think I ever
Man.
seen the Mad Max trilogy.
You ain't seen Mad Max, man?
That's the
Oh,
one
man.
where they like in the desert with
Yeah,
the
welcome to the
motorbike.
Thunderdome, all that good stuff, man.
I never got into it. I never got into it. No lie.
Oh, shucks. He got something he need to go watch, y'all.
Never lie. I never got into it. Let me see.
Yeah, Your Netflix joint, just go look up Mad Max series or something, you know?
We got the 91 targets to the downside. I'm holding it. I would cover if I could. To be a contrarian is to be very, very dangerous on gold. Please, ma'am, please, sir, don't do it. Okay, like don't buy. Okay, I told you watch those 99s. Just give it a second. Okay, it's plenty of meat on the bone. If ever it turns around and wants to turn around, it can do that. Okay, but you, sh if you can, hold yourself away from the urge to buy a falling market. That's very, very dangerous. Yeah, yeah, DJ. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie at all. I never seen it. Didn't they just do a movie? It was like not too long ago with the whole Mad Max series and stuff. So
Yeah, something furious, something
yeah,
Furia,
yeah.
or something like that. Yeah,
I never got into it. I never got
yeah.
into it. I don't know what it was about it. I never got into it. Maybe it was the
Somebody
aesthetic.
dropped the image for you though, Max Steel, the animated
Max
inside the
Steel
chat.
in the chat.
Mhm.
Bro, I swear. It's like one of them names. Bond. James Bond.
He had one of them bots that follow him around. You know what I'm saying? Like his little helpmate or something like that.
Yeah. Okay, Showtime. This is what I will buy and sell. I think that the Nasdaq will fall today. Um, Currently, we're in the space where we can kind of introduce a choppy mentality to the market. So we sold off a little earlier this evening, a very aggressive and good sell. I don't think anything's wrong with it. I think the closer we get down here, the more likely we go get some 292.16s or more. You know what I'm saying? Nothing wrong with going a little bit lower too. Um, I kind of like where we are. If you want to be a seller, it's probably best to wait for higher prices to sell from, you know, because we're in an area where buyers have the right to speak up. They have a right to say what they want to do. They have a right to take this thing to the upside. So you don't want to sell in buyer territory, but I anticipate today that, the buyers will fail. We'll be able to get to the downside. Does that make sense? Everybody cool on that?
Yes, it does. Thank you, sir.
Sweet. Sweet.
All
Let me
good.
check on the YouTube. YouTube people, are y'all cool? Y'all all right? Everybody's good? Okay. All right,
I
cool.
have a question. I,
Please.
um, I joined the 2 month coming to the chat room
Mm-hmm.
deal.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I also had already, and I've been here before. Um, so I'm going back through the bond bully courses.
Mm-hmm.
So is that what I need to do and finish up in order to be able to kind of see what you're doing right here? And I also joined the Ninja Trader platform, the free version where you just pay for the data or whatever, $12 a month or something like that. Am I on the right track with this? So I
Exactly.
can be able to participate, go ahead and finish the Bond Bully courses. I got the Ninja Trader, and
Yes.
it looks like you're on Ninja Trader because it looks foreign. But I also have Trading View,
Mm-hmm.
and I know I can connect my Tradeovate to Trading View and just trade off the Trading View platform. Can I
Yes.
do the same thing with Ninja Trader and not trade on Ninja Trader? Or do I need to go ahead and connect it to Trading View and just do Trading View?
I'm totally open when it comes down to platforms. So if you feel more comfortable on TradingView, go with that. If you feel more comfortable on Ninja, go with that. I suggest like comfort on the platform more than any particular platform to use. And there are traders in here that trade on TradingView, Order Flow Analytics, Ninja, Motive Wave. It's a lot of different platforms that you could choose. So 100%, whichever one makes you comfortable, that's the one that you should be on. And as far as like what you should be doing, yes, going back through the Bond Bully material and then coming to this room every time it opens, no matter what.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? You're out for your walk and it's the evening time and the trade room is open. put it on your phone and walk around and listen to the trade room. You're at your job, you know what I'm saying? And the trade room is going in the morning. Open up the link, come into the trade room, just even if it's only to listen. Hey, sometimes if you have some time and it's, hey man, it's been a long night. I don't feel like getting up today. Man, I'll just catch the trade room later. No, right now, catch it right now. I think if you do
Be
that,
consistent.
man, yes, that's what I've seen out of, I think right now, just under 40,000 students. The through line that I've seen for the successful ones are they are very consistent. They show up. They ask questions. They're slightly annoying. That's the ones that win. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? That's the ones that
So
win.
last question.
Mhm.
So um I can fund my account through NinjaTrader, but
Mhm.
is there prop firms also that I can go through to go
Lot
ahead and get funded? Is it the same thing as regular futures?
Lots of them. Yep. There are lots of prop firms. So you can choose any one of them and get with it. There are a lot of them that they choose here in the community, and either one of them can do the job. Just depending on
So,
what you like, don't like, what you want to do, how often you want to be able to get paid, what rules you want to have or don't want to have. But a lot of people in the community use other people's money in order to make money here.
okay, and I'm familiar with that, but what do I need to look for as far as what do you allow to trade, like options, stocks, futures? I mean, what do I look for to say, do you do give money for this? Do I just say futures? Is it just regular futures? Or do
Yeah,
I have to say
just say
bond
futures.
futures or what?
You just say futures. That's cool.
Future. Okay.
Yeah. Sound like
Okay.
you ready to go. I like that. I like that. Y'all praise
Well,
her up.
I already have an Apex account, but I didn't know, but I just dibble and dabble in the regular futures like, gold, oil, and stuff like that.
Mhm.
But I didn't know if this was different since it's bonds.
No, I saw the same. It's in the same category or area of the market. You know what I'm saying? In the futures area. So you good to go.
Okay. Okay.
For sure. Proud of you.
Thank you.
Way to get back to it. You know what I'm
Let me
saying?
just let
Sometimes
me
it's
just
hard to
say this
get
to
to it,
Sharia.
but it's way to get back to it. Proud of you. You know what I'm
Let me
saying?
just say this to Sharia as well. If
Hmm.
a company doesn't allow it, they will let you know you can't trade on that particular instrument. But that doesn't mean that
Oh,
they're not supplying the rest of the futures market. But that particular instrument, they'll let you know. Hey, we don't
okay.
we don't service that instrument. But for the
Okay.
most part, yeah, blanket futures. That's what you're looking for. That's where we live. We live in the futures market, you know. That's
Okay.
just where
Okay.
we live. But that means everything that you learn here, you can take it to any market. Trust me, it got a candle, it's a chart,
Get
booyaka. Options, booyaka. Whatever it is, equities, booyaka. Anything you learn
We
here on
gonna
these
run it up.
charts, Jay got it. You know,
We
so
gonna
you
run
all
it
right.
up.
And just go ahead and dive into that material, learn it, come back here with your
okay.
question. All right? Come back
Okay.
here with
Thank you.
you got it.
Do ooh, baby, I need it all day,
Order
all
success.
day, all day.
Put my bonnet on, brother. Just to slide with you. I got mine
Are we doing
more
bonnets?
cocked to
We
the
doing
side. Yeah,
bonnets? You
I
know what I'm
got mine
saying?
cocked to the side. Like that, like those like those
You got
ranges,
this?
bro. You know them
Oh, I gotta
ranges.
see DG with the bonnet game. Hold on, let me see. We doing bonnet. Where you at,
Yeah,
bro?
more cocked to the side with like those ranges. You know what I mean?
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, you already know. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to see nothing on my right hand side. I only want, left eye.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah.
You
Much
know,
love,
Yo,
much love, man.
love to the
wait,
bonnet.
is Jay's bonnet bedazzled?
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
Yes. See that? See that?
wow.
This is the official hair store bonnet. Y'all already know what it is. The ladies already know. This
Let's
one right
go.
here.
I see the logo. I see the logo.
This not the one that's in the front. You got to go to the back and ask about this one. This that new right here. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
okay, okay.
This is what we're doing. Yeah. Terrible hair day. You don't want to see up under here right now.
You rocking it, girl dad.
See? Telling you. Telling you. I'm telling you, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. Take care of your hair, man. Take care of your hair. Although I didn't know you lose like you're supposed to lose like 150 strands a day or something like that. Something crazy. Some crazy number like that. I don't want to lose any strands.
Order submitted.
They say you gotta do it.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Really, NASDAQ like really going. Yeah. Yep. Everybody's low and buyers get a chance to respond. That's really what this is. Everybody's in buyer territory looking for the buyer response. Gosh, they just did front run my 74s. How low did they get? They made it to 77. Did anybody get down there? Anybody took target off the shorts or got long on gold? Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Nobody. Y'all not trading yet or something? What, like y'all just didn't like the trades? Like what? What are we doing?
I myself wait till the market open.
Okay.
I was still setting up my charts.
Okay. I got you. I got you.
Order filled.
How long on entry?
Everything I'm going all in
Order filled.
with lace sellers.
Order submitted.
Here, I'm expecting a good move to the upside off the open. Like when the bell rings, and then after that, see a pretty sharp fall. That'll be kind of what I'm looking for today. 75, 73 is the early target, and I think it's doable. If we're able to get something a little bit lower, I would love to finish down the 50s or the 57s. That'll be a great place to be.
Order submitted.
Man, it was so good, man. I caught up with my longtime friend when I was in LA this past time. My man Scott.
Order submitted.
And I'm not sure if y'all remember. Y'all remember the bully Scott? And I used to call him an action figure because he got like 3% body fat.
I remember him, Jay.
You remember Scott?
Yep.
Man, caught up with my dog, man. It's good to see dog. I think this is it. I don't want to celebrate anything else, and I don't want to miss a thing. And I don't want to miss a thing, even when I dream of you. Sweetest dream will never do. I still miss you, baby. Yeah, that's it.
So initially you thinking down on the ES.
I think initially off the open, like if the bell rings right now, I think we shoot to the upside. I like to
Okay.
see 295, 94. Then terror, night sweats, shaking, shivering, because it's time to turn it around.
I'm referring to the ES, Jay.
What's it? Oh, on the ES?
Yeah.
I would like to see. To me, the ES is already overstaying its welcome structurally. I would like to see the sellers. I got a 7,600. To me, it's good. Soft, but good. I like to see that. Maybe a little higher for the sake of the NASDAQ. For the sake of the NASDAQ reaching higher, I wouldn't mind if it went up a little higher. Definitely wouldn't. But yeah,
Okay.
that's about it. 7,600, 7,610.
Okay. Appreciate
Those
you.
are like fair and safe, you know? Fair and safe. So it's cool.
Appreciate you.
It's all good. It's all good. It'll be crazy if they open and just shoot straight down. That would be nuts. Okay, good. Everybody understand what we're thinking on all the instruments, on all the charts. Everybody's good. Any questions? Anybody like, Jay, say this again? Hey, What are you thinking over here? What are you doing there? I want to ask you about a particular thing I'm thinking. Anybody on that time?
So
Oh,
Jay, you see the Nasdaq going down. Is this based on the chart, or this is based on multiple years of seeing the same behavior?
it's based on the charts. It's based on the chart. Like all of them, all of the markets had a great night of selling, you know, like all of them. Like the bonds caught a sell off the open yesterday. Gold caught a sell mid-evening, you know, I mean, mid-morning, just drop it, you know. The NASDAQ and the ES, I think they both caught it around about 1 in the morning, you know. So everybody's selling. That's cool. The problem that kind of arises with our position is that we arrived at the end of the sale. That's the problem with kind of where we are. So selling to me is still not a bad idea, and it's the majority idea. Is just when we got to the market, we were at 395 on NASDAQ or 5086s on ES. You know, we're kind of down low. Even on
Mm,
gold, you know what I'm saying? We caught maybe
mhm.
just the last few minutes of that move to the downside. But we're at a place where buyers have a right to speak up and should on all instruments. So I'm hoping that they speak up a little bit. You know, what makes a sale great, in my opinion, is the higher we go to do it. So let the buyers get their little vibe for a minute, then body slam them in about, I don't know, 30 minutes. Body slam them. Talking about pick them up, shake them, boom, body slam.
Okay. Thank
Oh,
you.
you're welcome.
Time to collect.
What up, JD? Time to collect. How was the concert? Then you go to the concert too, JD?
Nah, man. I feel like I missed like an eclipse or something.
Why you feel like you
Wow.
missing? Why you, you feel like you missed the eclipse? Why
On my
everybody was there, bro?
Instagram, every time somebody put a story up, I saw like it was like a house party of all the rich and famous celebrities, urban celebrities, and not even only urban, like the crowd that Jay-Z pulled, like he shut the city down, man.
Real talk,
For real.
real talk, real talk.
Order
I
filled.
listened to the Breakfast Club and they won't stop talking about it.
I get it. I get it. I really get it. I think the Nasdaq just found a seller. Anybody took that sell? I think it was like 470 something, 479. Current price is 472.73. Don't be ridiculous taking money, but this is the first time we should have some real folks stepping into the chat. I typically don't trade between like 9:15, 9:30. It's not my idea of a good time. Chilling. Because whatever they do here, they'll probably do it again. I hope somebody took that the short from 77. It's at 65 already.
Hey Jay, a little off topic, but have you caught up on Raising Canaan?
I can't wait. I
Dude.
literally
All right.
can't wait.
All right. So when you caught up, give me a call, man.
I'm caught up. I'm caught
Oh,
up. I
you
can't
are?
wait till
Oh, okay.
tonight. No,
Yeah, yeah.
tomorrow. Boy, hey, put them fifth 4 D's on K.
Booyaka, 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 booyaka.
Hey man, I fast forwarded. Yeah, I was like, oh Lord, I ain't seen somebody get them feel 4Ds put on them in
Big
a
up, big
minute.
up the big up the cuz, because cuz was there. That he didn't get, put down. Big
Look
cuz
here.
stepped in the way because he was
all the
about
heat yet.
to
Boy. First of all, I don't know that actor's name. What's that actor's name that plays Unc? What's his name?
I don't remember offhand.
I really
Gotta go,
like
gotta
that
gotta
actor.
go to the Google.
To me, this season has been his season.
Yeah, yeah,
This season, like to me, he's carried so much of the action this season. So
yeah.
very much of the action. I'm extremely proud.
Man, that's what I hate about Power, man. You don't. I think his end is gonna be kind of bad.
What happened?
Hey, we know Kanan.
Oh yeah.
Is
Yeah, we know.
we don't know the uncle's future.
Right. Yeah, we looking in the past with this one, but
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, we know.
I'm gonna catch a bad one.
Like, like,
I'm gonna
like
catch a
I'm
bad one.
saying,
We know what it is. I'm
I,
gonna catch
I
a
was
bad
saying to
one.
myself, I said, are they going to introduce Ghost in them as youngsters? What's going on?
Hey, hey, that'd be nice. Did they say that this was the final season of it though?
I'm not sure.
Yeah,
They
Yeah,
said this was the final season of Raising Canyon?
yeah.
I
We
didn't know.
Yeah, I think it is.
next season.
I think this is it.
They must be waiting and making that its own series. Like when Ghost
Power
and Tommy
Universe.
find,
Yep,
yeah,
Power Universe.
when Ghost and Tommy find each other and
Mhm.
Kanan is around, but Kanan is already like he got to be the big homie a little bit.
Absolutely. Yep.
He got to be the big homie a little bit. Then,
Yep.
that's when kind of Ghost and Tommy figure it
Ghost and
out.
them be on the come up. Yeah, they on the come up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, oh man, it's 5 minutes until the market does whatever it's gonna do. Like I said, I wanted to keep going up first. I don't want it to go straight down, but I wanted to go up, then down. Man, anybody got any questions
Yeah,
about
just
anything else? This is a time where, you know what I'm saying, you guys can really ask
I got
anything.
a quick question.
Okay, what's up?
Um, just what do you suggest as the best times for the evening? The morning time is kind of difficult for me to.
To trade?
Yeah.
The only time I don't like trading, no lie, is lunch.
Lunch. Okay.
12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time gives
Okay.
me the ick. I'm talking about yuck. Other than that, every other time is good.
Okay.
The clothes
Thank
can be more expensive. You feel me,
Uh-huh.
D? Like the clothes can be more expensive depending on your broker. It could be more expensive to trade, but every other time is cool. It's a little bit like watching paint dry the first hour of the evening too, like 6 p.m. to 7, 6 p.m. to 7:30.
That's a good time. Eastern time.
Yeah, Eastern
Okay.
Eastern Standard. Yeah.
Okay. 6 p.m. to 7:30. Thank you.
You're very, very welcome. Hey, first targets are out on the NASDAQ position. First place we want to go is 57. Second place we want to go is 41. Oh, I need to change all of these around and put them back on my right time. I was trading in LA. Shout out to everybody who like comes to the trade room that's from the West Coast, man. For real. Y'all are the real MVP.
I'm on the West Coast. I'm in LA.
Bro, do you know what it's like to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning to get to these candles? Yay. Yay. I literally used
Yeah.
to.
Getting back
We,
used
we
to it.
should have some sort of software where if you're from the West Coast, you get like a bonus day free or something like that. We got to work that out. It is not easy.
Yeah. Speak on it then. Speak on it.
You feel me? For real. We got to show love, man. Bro, it was so early in the morning when I went to the lobby to connect my computer. They was just playing nature sounds. Nothing else, just nature sounds. Jesus, it's too early. Time is 8:27. Guess what I saw today? And I thought it was so cool. Did y'all see DC Young Fly is trading? The comedian and
Nah,
actor from Atlanta.
I didn't know that.
Through Twitch this morning.
I thought that was so cool. I'm telling you, that's the needle is moving.
It
Like
is.
The culture is moving. You said it's moving, the needle moving. I'm telling you. Uh-oh, we're gonna go to second targets. Next target, NASDAQ 294.41.
Order filled.
I think they didn't get all the way to 7,600. Okay, they didn't on the ES. I'll try and see if I can get you guys in to the position after the open. I can destroy you.
Just share your screen back, big brother, for the audience.
I'm
Hey Jay, I
changing up.
got good morning, Jay. I got a quick question. Off
What's up with
topic.
it?
That we've been off topic all morning. All the courses that we purchased on your other two platforms, were they migrated to the new one?
They're
Usually.
still available on the other platforms.
Oh, I can still log into those and just view them
Yeah.
there. Bet.
Mm-hmm.
Cool,
For
cool,
sure.
cool. Gotcha, gotcha.
Good morning, Diamond Girl.
Thanks, Jay.
Song I ain't heard. Love. How that market been treating you, Jasmine?
Come on, Jay, man. I'm a bully, bro. Don't do that. Don't do that, man. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that, man.
Booyaka, booyaka,
Hey
booyaka.
man, I love it. I
Bully,
love it. I
baby.
really
Now, what
do.
I am doing is trying to, the live account. I'm trying to really build that. You know what I'm saying? With, trying to eventually get away from the prop firms. That's the goal.
Want me to I'll show you how to do it in 45 minutes if you want me to.
All right. I'm gonna tell you no.
I'll show you how to do it.
You know what I'm saying?
What time? 7:20. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Councilman. That was good. All the rest of it. What about you? Good. Indicator. Yeah. Yeah. They are good. Okay. Okay, so if you're new, what you're gonna experience now is me kind of talking through the market on a candle by candle basis, showing everybody what I believe is possible, not possible. Okay. If you have questions at any time, you can ask them. Okay. That's what I want you to feel very, very comfortable and open asking questions. We got the ES06s. I would cover those. Okay. Because I still think up is a thing. But if you sold the ES06s, you're already up 300 bucks a contract. Gold people, we wanted to get down as low as 74 before the buyer stepped in. Buyer stepped in at 77. Okay. We're looking for them to run into their first real issue at 40.19. NASDAQ folks, we sold the 77s. We made it down to first targets. I still have in my mind, or what I would like to see is a higher move. You know what I'm saying? I would like to see 295.94 happen over here before they decide they want to sell again. The reason why I really want the sell to stick, like I want it to work. So the higher the market goes, the more sellers it can accumulate so that, when it starts going down, it really can make a good move. So we'll see what happens. ES people, y'all still in that short?
No, I took my target off that.
I missed it.
I'm gonna try and get y'all in the shorts. If they get back below 95, we can get back in. But I want to see how they're gonna deal with, what they're kind of doing right now. Like how they're gonna deal with it.
Target filled.
I like that though. Let's go. Target fill. Bonds, what you looking like?
You still feel good about 76.10 on the ES, the 60-minute?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna sell tens. I would sell tens. You might get a little 12, 13 action, like a little higher, but that's where it is. It's between 10 and 15.
Okay.
Hey, go. Don't give up yet. Don't give up. 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 A little bit higher. A little bit higher. Don't give up. That fool got the 10 and said, "We tired, boss. We so tired. Get that boy some milk. He can't get no higher than 10. Come on, man. Don't quit yet. Don't quit yet, my boy. Don't quit yet. I want you to come up with 19 before you do that. Opening candles not so bad. Like look, people saying what's on their mind, man. I think we had the either what was it, fours or sixes on the ES short here. So it had to be a four or something like that. I'm not mad about this position. If I would prefer that they go up a little higher, personally, but I'm not mad. So far, so good. I probably need a few more of these. I'm thinking about it.
Order filled.
I'm just thinking about it. I'm just thinking about it. I'm just thinking about it. Girl, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm just thinking about it. I did it.
Order submitted.
Hey, do you know that we live in a world? This was the one thing. Like I had a great vacation, don't get me wrong, right? But I'm at Disney. My cell phone's kind of low on power. Don't worry, I brought my cord because I can, stop for a little Dole Whip and charge up the phone. You feel me? 40 seconds left on the candle, 40 seconds. Be patient. Sit in the pocket. I don't feel good about selling until we're back under 456 on the NASDAQ. So, I'm cool. No problems. Do you know that they had charger ports, taped them up, and wouldn't let people use the charger? And they was selling charger blocks in like a charger block vending machine. Can you believe this?
Wow.
They was selling
Wow. Taking
$80
advantage of the
blocks.
captive audience.
$80 blocks. $80.
Good googly loo. Good googly loo.
They selling $80 blocks. This feels good now. You almost want some 460 short. You're in a phone booth a little bit, but I feel like the low is on the table on both instruments. Watch out for 75.86, but I think that can bleed down into the 80s for sure. So we're watching at 86, but we do believe that we can get low 80 and 73s, especially out of this candle. This candle's only 35 minutes old on the hourly.
Hey, where can I jump in on that ES?
Dog. Wish you would have asked me that just a second ago. I would have gave you 96 of this blue line, 94 right now. I'll get you back in. I'll get you back in. O2s look good short on gold. O2s and O7. Okay, we're getting our first little pushback. This is good. Now you want to see what this candle can do at 29,460 on the NASDAQ, and you want to see what it can do, I think between 95 and 96 on the ES. You want the sellers to kind of get angry and get it going. Man, I wanted you to go up higher. You sorry, candle. You terrible. These buyers don't look good. They don't look good. You see that? They don't look good. They might break this candle. They might get underneath on 29,400 this candle. You gotta watch them. See how the buyers like push them, and then the sellers like come right back underneath the 32s. And they doing that without help from the 460s or anything above. They're kind of like pushing. Okay, this is what I want to see. 460. If you're not in a trade this candle, I probably wouldn't get into one, but that 460 short is the only one that I kind of see or like. Did you get that 95 just now, Tom Jones? The 95 or 94 short?
Nope, but
It's still a bit of a fight. You know what I'm saying? Like you're not in the clear yet. I'm
right.
just, if you're not in it, don't be mad if you're not.
Okay.
It's not in the clear.
Okay. Appreciate you.
I want to see how 460 does. Like if 460 could sell us back down to 400. Y'all, this is what I'm talking about. New people, this is the 460. That's what I just told everybody to sell. If you sell that, that's cool. Just cover it because I'm not sure we're out of the woods yet. For this 460 to be super safe, we need to be under 400. So like if you took that 95 when it just came up and touched, the 95s are here. If you took it, we just got to get underneath 86 for it to start being safe. Anybody grab the 460s or the 95s just now?
Just missed it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Jay, I
just
got the
missed it.
460s.
Okay, you got the 460s?
I know it's
First target is
looking
at
at
400. First target is at 400. That's 60 to the good. That's $1,200 a contract. That's your first target. And don't play with these boys. You feel what I'm saying? Don't play with them. Like, don't, oh, it's going to keep going. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
I had bought it up to the 460s for about 500 and then sold it down from the 460s for about 1,000. So I'm done
Easy,
with 1,500.
easy
Thank
work.
you, Jay. Man, you the GOAT, man. I don't know nobody else that's like you, man. You one of one.
Thank you, bro. I really appreciate it. I got some meetings coming
Much
up. We're
love.
going to do a lot of great things together, man. We're going to do a lot of great things together.
I'm all down for it, man. I'm here to be a servant to you.
Nah, man, I appreciate you, baby. Appreciate you. They
Yeah,
came
I got
right to
it.
75.86. Look at
I
this.
know, right? I was gonna ask the same question. Did he trade a dry? Sorry,
Yes, this
Jay.
is Brooklyn. This is my young man will do that, okay? Like, and he on the road 5, 6 hours
Lord
a
have
day.
mercy.
He on the road 5, 6 hours a day. Young man not afraid to make money while he making money and work while he work. He not afraid of that. He not afraid of
Got
that.
to.
He like a different kind of what's y'all generation called? You a Gen Z? What you?
Yeah, I'm Gen Z.
Yeah, he a different kind of one of them. He not the regular kind out the can. You had to get him from the back.
God
Ooh.
damn.
Next
Okay.
move look good. 95s. This is just that 87. That was a target. Same thing I feel about 293.70. You see how they got right close to it? It's like I'm getting I think they will get targets here. You know what I'm saying? But we should keep rolling. Gold people, I wanted sevens for you. I wanted twos for you. I still don't feel very good. So I'm not forcing anything, okay? Don't force it on gold. You don't have to. It's not necessary. Gold is going to give you the move. You know what I'm saying? Like we pre-market short on gold for 2 bands of contract. So you don't have to stress the moves. They're going to give it to you. Oh,
Thank you for saying that, Jay.
oh, it's all good. Don't stress. They're going to give you the moves. Are we having fun? Are we making money? We said we wanted some
Hell
up
yeah.
action off the open and we want this thing to slam to the downside. So far, we got a little bit of the upside. We didn't get everything that we wanted. ES, we got O4s short. Um, at this point, that is the top of the market. I don't think anybody took it. But boy, talking about calling it to the T. Look at that. Markers only. That's where we got it. Woo. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, if you're gonna be selling, let me pro tip. Listen to me. If you're gonna be selling, don't wait until the candle's red to do it. You gotta sell it when it's you gotta sell it when it's green. You gotta sell the candle when it's green in order to sell it at a safe place. You feel me? Okay, we're at the lows on ES. We're just below them on NASDAQ. So far, everything is happening kind of how we expected it. Nothing too crazy. We got the 460 short. We took first targets at 400. They're making a good second push here. There's another 2 minutes and 30 seconds left on the candle. Okay. Y'all having a good time on YouTube? YouTube, y'all okay? Make sure y'all all right. Everybody okay? YouTube, y'all okay? If you're watching, please be careful. I don't want you to do anything ridiculous.
Hey, Jay, got a quick question.
Please.
I'm completely brand new here and
Yes.
just want to see what do I need to do to get started because this is kind of a new territory to me, and I really
Do you
want
want to
to.
be, do you want to get good fast? Or you kind of, are you like, you're just dabbling? What are you feeling?
I want to get good fast.
All right, let me show you. jaythetradercares.com. This. I'll tell you more about it tonight. Oh, there's no one in the waiting room. I gotta switch to meeting group chat. Boom. It's so fast. It's so good at getting, like, if you have about 45 minutes a night, you'll understand the market in 2 weeks.
Okay.
You'll be technically sound in 30 days. Like technically sound. You'll understand, oh, this is supposed to go up. This is supposed to go down. Oh, the next one will do this. It's a bundle of courses that are really, really exciting for me. So I would start like this. The reason I would start like this is because it's not only education. Like, of course, you're going to get like coursework and material. You get like a course called Levels. I definitely use that today. You get the gaps. I definitely use that today. And this is the cool part. You get a month in the trade room. And I have to update this page tonight because I put a few more things in here. Of course, you get a credit, but there's this like follow along and quiz journal that I put with it so that every day you know what video to watch from what minute to what minute. You have quizzes and a workbook to go alongside. So literally, if you got anywhere between 30 to 60 minutes a day, you'll understand the market in 2 weeks. You'll be super duper solid. And we got to the overnight low on ES. Very, very good. Very, very good push to the downside so far. Now you want to sell things. It's so much to sell. 33, 357. Excuse me for 1 second. 388. Then you have sells to me 75.85. I really don't want to sell for much lower than that. 75.85. I'm not mad about. Maybe a 90. Maybe. We're kind of getting to the place where the 4 hour can speak up. I want to see a few more moves, like what they showed us yesterday, 1300. The move down to 75, 73 on ES. And we got great momentum in this candle right now, in my opinion. So it's no reason it quote unquote has to stop. But this is another one of those like danger territories where the moment you sell it, you're selling it in buyer territory. So I want you to be kind of careful. ES 30, I mean, NASDAQ was 333 and 360. And lastly, maybe a 388. And ES. Oh, they gave us the 85s. Did anybody sell the 85s?
I'm in at 85.
Okay, I'm at 85. What you want that 85 to do? No lie, it's probably gonna take a little bit of whooping. But what you want to see on the NASDAQ, because the ES doesn't have it, but what you want to see on the NASDAQ is trading below 303. So if you're on the 85s, you just wanted to trade below 303. The dirty thing that they could do on the NASDAQ is come up a little bit higher for the sell. So to make you feel like your 85 is a bad decision, especially if you see 90s out. But I don't think it's a bad decision. It's just a little low. It's a little early. You know what I'm saying? For what they're trying to do. So if you start seeing NASDAQ under 303 and they sustain it under 303, your 85s will be fine. But if they start making a move up to 357 or 380, it's going to make you feel like those 85s are weird. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Okay. Cool. So yeah, that's what I would do. I would do that. It doesn't get any better. And I'm saying this humbly, as humble as I know how, but there's just nobody better than me at teaching the candles. Like it doesn't exist.
Thank you so
I know
much.
that
Yeah.
people might say, "Oh, that's pride. That's pride." It's not pride. It's proof.
That's a
Like,
fact.
do me a favor, people in the chat right now. How many teachers did you have before me, and how many did you need after me? Just put before Jay, put how many teachers, after Jay, put how many teachers. When it comes out to the market, just do that for me. If you can, please. You know, I have worked very hard. Like while other teachers were working on their marketing funnels and working on customer acquisition cost, and they were working on going live and looking cool on podcasts, I was really working on teaching and candles.
Appreciate that.
You
Appreciate
know what I'm
that.
saying? So I say this humbly, you know what I'm saying? But I really do take pride. There we go. That's below the O3s. That's what I'm looking for. 85s. You're looking for 73 first, but it could be like a little 76-ish thing, you know? Like, you know how they've been running short on me all day. You know, also I want you to notice the accuracy with which I call out trades, you know? Like I told them to sell 85. The candle went to 86. You see this? Like that's
Yeah,
what I
they
told them to sell.
watching
So
it.
they're not taking a lot of heat, you know? I really love the community. I don't want a whole lot of problems, you know? Um,
So
you guys can stay short if you want to. I believe in the shorts until we get to 292.16. Then I want to see what they're willing to do, what the buyers are willing to do at that time. Okay.
so I have to go read the information you just sent to me, right?
Sure, sure. If you want to read it, that's fine.
Okay.
That's no problem
So
whenever.
when do I reconnect with you again?
I'll be in the room tonight. We have like our Money Faucet Thursdays are two workshops. So there's a daytime trading thing and then a nighttime webinar thing. You know, that's how it works on Thursdays in our community. So I'll be back on this same link tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Same
Okay.
link.
That'll
And
be
it's
my 7 p.m. I live in Central Standard Time, Texas.
oh, what part of Texas? Hey, watch
You-
80s. Watch 80s. Watch 80s here. And
I live
Jesus.
in Houston.
You say what in Houston?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, it's a lot of great bullies in Texas. Where all the Texas bullies at?
Right here,
Dallas. Dallas.
H-Town.
San Antonio.
Off the
Texas is
program
like,
years ago. I'm trying to come back and get right.
man, Texas like its own country. Straight
That
up.
is correct.
Like the United States of Texas. You feel what I'm
I
saying?
just see did they just start their own stock market or
They did. They did, man. They
to
did.
to compete with to Wall Street or at least New York?
I think so. And I think it was a good move. The country boys tired of East Coast kicking them around and telling what they do, especially when all of the raw goods and everything is coming from there. Texas is a fantastic state geographically because of everything it can do.
Everything is big in Texas.
Man, I'm talking about you got to think they got a shoreline, they got hills and valleys, they got cows and corn. You can grow tobacco. You can it's crazy when you think about everything that they have access to. It's oil in the ground, it's fish in the water. It's very hard to compete with that. It's a very resourceful state, very resourceful state. Okay, this candle is wonky. Okay, so if you're not in and you're like, man, I want to sell from somewhere, I want to, dang, I missed it. I didn't listen to Jay when he said sell the first time. Okay, listen to me now. Okay, we're okay. Everything's fine. Breathe. We're all right. The market can't run from you. It can't, and it'll tell you what it wants to do. So just relax. Okay, just think about where you want to be. Prices that I like right now. I still like what is this? 361. I still like 387. Those prices, I still like them short. Um, we are in a place where buyers do have a right to speak up. I think we mentioned that. This is a good high time frame place for them to say something. Dang, bro, why you left me at 353? Don't do that. Don't do that. Come a little bit higher. Like Brandy said, come a little bit closer. Don't do that. So don't chase, like, do me a favor, don't go chasing this market. You know what I'm saying? Don't go chasing it all around. Don't do that. They took the 353s. Stupid. Who was waiting at 53 and who was waiting at 60?
I'm waiting at 60.
Right. They might take the 53s and be gone. With a minute left in this candle, yeah.
Yeah, you can
I
see.
think I had the 53s a couple candles ago, but I felt like if they was going to take 53, they might as well come get us at 60. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's really close. Did anybody get 91 on ES? I know that was mentioned. We had 85s and we had 91s. Anybody took the 91 short?
I did.
Very good. Very good.
It picked me
Proud.
up.
Ooh. That not picking me up, that stuff make you itch. All new people. All I'm doing and what I'm trying to do now is tell people when to sell and when to buy, what to sell and what to buy, that sort of thing. That's really the vibes here. And then also like when to lay out, when to, hey, yo, this could be crazy. Like chill. If you're not in anything, chill. This candle could be a weird one. Okay. I haven't looked at my schedule today. I have a feeling it's going to be crazy. And I need to take the trash out. That's true. I gotta get this trash. You know what I did do this vacation? I ate. I ate. The food was good. Very good. Ooh.
Saw that.
Ooh, I told you I don't think they're coming back. I don't think they're coming back, champ. They ain't coming back. 91s. 91s, who sold them 91s? I don't like the fact this candle was born red. Come on now. There you go. Stick with it. Stick with it. That's how you gotta do. Stick with it. Get me back underneath these 81s.
If
ES
you
people, if you
missed it, how
sold
you feel about
91, if you
O2s?
what you say?
If you missed it, how you feel about 302? Oh, I already played that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
91. Your first target is the low 80. That's your first target. NASDAQ acting like it's gonna go the other way. We don't believe you. You need more people. Why are you acting like that? I think you're going to 307 and then you're done. You're going right here. 305. There you go. Those are 05s. Now what you gonna do?
Order submitted.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You got the ES to flip. Maybe. Here we go. Let's see what you got.
Filled. Order filled.
It's like we have to pick our spots today, man. We have to pick our spots on everything. We had to pick the spots.
Jay, what do you think that silly the bonds are gonna do? I'm here sitting here at 110.23 and it's just playing like 2 ticks, 1 tick, 2 ticks.
I wouldn't go. I wouldn't go over there. I would go to the UV if you wanted some motion today.
Mhm.
Okay, the 60s. The way they looking, I cover them. But if you sold them, you already up $1,000. Anybody sold the 360s on the NASDAQ?
Man, I just took it out before it hit.
God dog. God dog.
I was gonna say I reached my loss limit, so I'm gonna switch accounts, and then I missed it.
Who didn't miss it?
Took me out for profit.
It just happened too quick, huh?
Yeah, I didn't even know.
Ooh, it's a song, coach. It's a song. You ever heard this song? Wade in the water. Wade You ever heard that song? In the
Oh yeah,
water,
yeah.
away. In the water. Here go my line right here. God
Yeah,
the trouble, the water. Bruh, sometimes you just gotta wade in there till you trouble it. You feel what I'm saying? Don't get out. Don't get out. Don't get out. That candle paid $1,000 in 30 seconds just then off them 60s. Yay, yay, yay.
Would have took me out the red.
What you say?
They said would have took me out the red.
Well, there it is then. I'm talking about.
I've been in there since 5:30. I took a sale at 29, 5:30. I'm trying to hold on, man.
Where you going? You going 37? 290,
I'm trying,
37?
yeah, I'm trying to go 290, 37 down around there.
I felt like that. I felt that's what you was trying to do. Young man, I really love you. I don't know how else to express it, dog. I really just love you, and I'm just so proud.
Man, I love you infinitely, man. You already know.
But a young man, he really did. Sometimes you run into real difference makers. You know what I'm saying? Real difference makers. Real difference makers. You know, I think the reason why I love you so much, and this is for a lot of the guys that's on here. If you look at media, a lot of the types of men that are on here, they don't exist. They don't exist. Like
Sorry,
that.
can you say
Right
that
here,
again?
right behind you.
Like they don't exist. You know what I'm saying? In media, in television, in movies, on social media, you don't see the guy that's just being a great dad or a great grandpa and taking care of his family and going on dates with his wife and doing family vacation. You just don't see it. You know what I'm saying? You don't see it. So to me, it's always good. Like I'm inspired by those kinds of men. You know what I'm saying? Those kinds of men. And it's a lot of them on this chat. Like sons that go by their mama house on Thursdays to make sure mom's got some this or that, or I'm gonna take moms to lunch. You know what I'm saying? It's like those little touch points. It's amazing. It's like it's one of the best things about this community, in my opinion. The candles are good. I think so far we're up maybe 4 grand or something. It don't matter. But the people,
Mm.
the people, man. Okay, here's that next little spot. That next spot on the NASDAQ was 386. I think I mentioned it earlier. Anybody got it? Anybody tried to take it?
Filled.
I'm at 399 and holding.
399. I'm not mad about that. I think it might leak a little bit, but I think you're gonna be all right. I think it might leak a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like a little bit of leakage, but you'll be all right. You know, for real. For real.
Filled.
Okay, we're done with the last hour. Okay, everybody kind of put your mouse down. If you're not in the trade, put your mouse down. Breathe. 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 Put your mouse down. Breathe. Okay. Stretch your head, stretch your neck. Look away from the computer screen. Like this is a computer screen. Look
Man, you
up.
know anybody who do installation?
I know a couple dudes.
Okay, I'm gonna have to.
That's be talking to somebody else. Kind of look away. Okay. Now, when we look at the charts this time, we want to kind of look at them from a fresh perspective, kind of see where we are, what's going on. Hey, baby, you head to the gym? I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go right now. I'm gonna do all my meetings out there. As soon as I'm done. I'm done at 9:30. Wow. You don't want to wait. I can't wait. I can't wait.
Order submitted.
See, that's why I need to go. That's why I need to be a participant in today's cardiovascular activities. You feel me? I need to get on a row machine and I need to get on a treadmill and I need somebody to
Order filled.
I don't know, handcuff me to it. You know what I'm saying?
Whoop your behind.
I'm telling you, I need to be handcuffed to the treadmill, bro.
Hey,
I
dog, you
ate,
hit the battle ropes?
I ate everything. Yeah, I don't like them. Don't do that.
Hey, they shred you up on the sides, though. I tell you
Is
that.
that what is that what it is?
Yeah, they shred
They
you
got
up.
it. They got them out there. They got them out there. I'm not against it.
I throw you. Let me know. I throw you some different things to do so you could get some different effects from what you've done already.
See, D want me to be 1%. Me, I just want to be able to go to the beach and my wife say, I see you. And then everybody who are ex saying,
Take
dang,
your shirt off.
I really let that boy through my fingers. That's what I want all my exes to say.
Oh
I
yeah.
really let him through my fingers. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
Why we don't care necessarily. We don't care, but we do want them to say it. We want to be
You
like,
getting in trouble. You getting in trouble.
Look, tell them we want them to thank it. They ain't got to say it out loud. But
hey man, we want them to say, I want them to commit. I want what's in their mind to come out their mouth on that one. Dang. Or you know what's even better? Their mama say it to them. Didn't you? Have you seen
you
Jason
messed up.
recently? He's such a nice young man. He's
No, you
just
messed up.
such a great young man.
And he
I'm
fine
so
too.
proud of what he's doing.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
so
that's
proud.
it. And
Look,
he's so fine. That's how you want him to say it. And
look,
he's so
look. They
fine.
gonna say
I don't think
that
grandma
boy
gonna do that.
cleaned up.
Grandma ain't, the mamas ain't gonna hit me with that energy. You know what I'm saying? They ain't gonna hit me with the energy. You know what I'm saying? But
Nah,
yeah, just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? All I need is a little bit.
grandma gonna be like, that
I'm
boy. You
saying
seen that
talking
boy?
to
That
the
boy
exes,
sharp.
talking to your ex.
That
Mama
boy
say he's
sharp. You
so
seen him?
fine.
Yeah,
He cleaned up on him. He
yeah.
cleaned up.
Oh, you really? Okay. I love it. That's what I thought. I know you got to. Yeah, the day's rolling. Well, enjoy.
Order filled.
Great day in the market, Jay. You want to tally up what you called before 10 o'clock?
I ain't mad about it. Yeah. I guess I'll tally it up. I'll tally it up. I don't like. That's what I wanted to see some on the Nasdaq. I just wanted to see that last thing, and I think I need to check the hourlies on everything. I'll do that in a second. Let's tally, and then we'll do checks, and then after that, D's gonna send me more battle rope exercises that so I'll be cussing him out
Order submitted.
in my head, which is cool. Um, on the ZB today, it was asleep, so snore. I didn't call a thing over there. On the ES today, I had double O short. I'm not gonna call things like calling it at double O and then saying I called it again. It's like all the same. I felt like we'll get down to 73s, but I told you guys to take it off at 76. So it was basically double O to 76 today, and double O to 76 is 24 points. 24 points is $1,200 on the ES. $1,200. Then we had gold. I think we sold gold pre-market. We wanted it down to 74. I think we originally sold from like fives. We sold it back here. 5 to 77 is where they made it to. What is that? 23 and 5 is 28 points.
Hey, Doug, I just shot that to you. Don't worry about it right now, but I shot it to you in a message.
For sure. Then 28 points on gold is $2,800 because it's just $100 a point. The ES, okay, and NASDAQ, I think was the last look. I think we had 10s over here. Was it? No, it was 74. 74 was like the pre-market move. I think I start calling it back in from 460 because the 74s got targets really quick. It was like 74 to like, what was it? It was right here. It was like a little elbow move. Yeah, 74 to 59. 74 to 59 is 15 points on the NASDAQ. Then I called it short from 460. I got folks back in at 60s again, 73s. I got a few of them, but it was basically 60 short I wanted the 71s. No, I wanted 216. I think the lowest one I got was 322. So 460 to 322 is 118 points. 118 plus 15 is 133. Somebody tell me what's 133 times 20? Did y'all get 2660?
2060.
Okay, 2660 on the NASDAQ plus 2800 on gold plus 1200 on ES equals 6, 8, 14, 2 is 16, and one more. Four is I got $6,660. I don't like all them sixes. I'm about to take another trade. That's crazy. I don't like all them sixes in a row. Nope. I do not like when it came. I do not like him, Sam. I am. I'm about to call something. I might have to lose $1. I don't want to have 6,660 as my P&L. Nope.
Order filled.
How freaking what you call this? Not suspicious. What you call it when you
Superstition.
there you go, superstitious. How superstitious can you be? Show us your charts, not your face. I'm not connected to the computer, but there's a link down there, and if you follow the link, you'll get to the chart. Genius, genius, genius. Follow the link. 909. I got to do two things. I got to tell Jasper how to do it live. And is anybody in the red or P&Ls? Just show me your P&Ls. What we got? P&Ls, P&Ls, P&Ls.
I just passed the combine, but like 50. But the thing is, I got like 4 more days to, 3 more days to go.
Oh,
You think I should do the Floyd Mayweather?
yeah, open them and close them, dog. Just
Right?
win on technicalities. That's what I would do.
The pride is like, man, I'm like about to go to the 1 micros and just hit them once a day until
That's it.
next week.
That's it, man. You don't have to do nothing else. You don't have to do anything else. I read this the book by Tim Ferriss a long time ago, The 4 Hour Work Week, and he started talking about minimum effective dose. It's such a real concept. If it takes 10,000 push-ups to grow your chest, what you doing 20,000 for? You know,
Facts.
minimum effective dose is the human way. How can we do as little as possible to get as much as possible out of the system?
Jay, I'm trading with 4 MNQs. I'm negative 421.
You on tilt. You got on tilt down there, huh? You on tilt. You already know how to trade. That's not the situation. I know you know how to trade.
Yeah.
Y'all keep putting them P&Ls in the chat, man. Keep putting them in there. Keep putting them in there. Keep putting them in there.
I'm positive 1,000 in another account.
What's your loss limit on the account? Where you down?
500. So I'm $80, $79 from it.
I mean, you could jab back. They showing you that they're gonna make this upside feel good this morning. You know, they kind of showing it to you now. Rob Davis, finally. Rob Davis has been emailing tech support for like 4 days. I literally hit up tech support and was like, yo, are y'all helping Rob or what? What's going on? If you want to keep trading, you can. Obviously, I don't think it's about the money. I think it's about the situation. So more fruitful would not necessarily be trying to trade that account back positive. I would just go find out why in the world did I get tricked out of my spot so many times down there on that switch? Like what rules do I need to put in place? And I can speak this language to you because you know trading, but what rules do I need to put in place in order to understand how to trade the market turning around? Because that's really what happened. You just got caught in a turnaround. That's all. Everything you would have done would have worked if you waited a second longer or 30 seconds longer. You know, it's like that. If you want to trade it though, trade it. You know how to trade. I mean, come on.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Yeah, you'll be fine. It won't always, sooner or later. Did anybody catch the twos and sell them on gold? And is anybody else in the red? If you're in the red, things that you could do, see. Um, Possibly get long right now.
Order filled.
Long right now will work for like $100, $200. They fight and you got a minute 10 left on a candle. They don't give it to you this candle, they might give it to you the next. But if you needed $100, I think they'll give it to you here. Who else is down? Anybody else?
Yeah.
Anybody down? I'm checking the chat. 5 teachers before, none after. Before J, lots. After J, none. That's crazy, but it's real. Market Mastery Tour. There's another flyer out. We got another flyer. We got to do it again. That's Brooklyn. Okay, let's see P&Ls. 580 in the combine. Good job, Passion. 400 once say I see you. 300 ES in combine. I'm done for the day. Danny the Flower Child, 1660. Rhonda Hammond. Rhonda, I just see a lot of green, so I'm getting excited. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's
The reps are
go.
real. The
Let's
reps are
go.
real.
Let's go. This the one. Hey, and every day. We can whoop them like this every day. You know what I'm saying? We can do it like this. Easy, patient, confident. Easy, patient, confident. Easy, patient, confident. What time do y'all start in the mornings? 8:20 a.m. Tell your mama, tell your pa. We out here. Charles, I see you. Centil, I see you. Derek, I see you. You already gonna make that bread. I'm not worried about it. You gonna trade an MAQ or whatever? What you gonna trade to make the bread back? This
I'm
what
gonna
I
trade you.
watch this. He gonna trade NQ to get it back?
No, MNQ. No.
To get it back. How many contracts? 4?
4.
Watch. I think next candle it really starts lifting off and you aim at 532.
I'm aiming at 526.
526?
Front running a little bit.
Front running the 32s?
Yeah.
Okay. I ain't mad at that. I gotta
Do
check
you do the evening trade room only on Thursday, or do you have other trade rooms in the evening?
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Like,
yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday on those. Who else we got? Linda Lewis, I see you. Dorian Prentice, 605 NQ, JD, 650. Trav, I see you, 720 ES. That's pretty good. Chaz, $1,012. Frank, I see you. That's a good move, Frank. I'm kind of Frank, you've been doing that every day, this 374 stuff. Anybody who needed extra money, I call it 43s long. Get your money, get your money. Don't be greedy. Just make the money you need because you're down. Okay. Venus, 2 before you, 9 after. 598, 220 other account. Thank you, Jay. Love to you, Venus. Past eval, 3,100 across 3 accounts. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like they're getting to the money in here. What's this? Market Mastery Tour, one mission, one community, one movement, 10 cities. The Market Mastery Tour brings traders, investors, and entrepreneurs together through live education, networking, and real-world market insights. Learn more at marketmasterytour.com. New York was a vibe. I don't know how you feel about it. New York was an absolute vibe. And we got Atlanta next, right? The tour continues. Atlanta's next. I can't wait. Where the ATL folks? Any Georgia, Will y'all come from South Carolina and holler at me, or come from Alabama too? If
Come
you
on, Jay. Now, come on now. Come
would you
on now.
holler at
We
me?
waiting for you.
Come
Waiting
on
for you,
now,
Jay.
Jay.
Atlanta, y'all gonna holler at me, man. I'm gonna come outside. I'm gonna come outside. I'm gonna put on my lotion.
All
I'm gonna come outside.
right now.
You know what I'm
Jay,
saying? We're gonna have a good time. I'm gonna come outside. I'm gonna eat your food up. There's some good food in Atlanta. There's plenty of good food in Atlanta. I'm gonna eat your food. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna
Jay, what's
enjoy
the
your
date
sights
for
and sounds.
Atlanta?
What you
I ain't
say?
even know. What's the date for Atlanta?
It's
I
September.
ain't even no bullet, but I'm pulling up on you.
There it is. What is September? It's mid-September, some kind of way. I gotta check the
September
calendar.
11th.
What you say?
It's September 11th.
September 11th. September 11th. It's going down. And when come bring your lunch, bring your hard hat. You know what I'm saying? We start in the morning, we keep going to the sun go down. We just gonna keep doing it.
Oh,
Gonna keep doing it. So Atlanta's next, and then I think we go to I think it's the Northeast after that. I gotta find out. Let me go. Let me see. I don't know.
Chicago's after Atlanta.
Chicago's next. We go have some pizza soup. Yeah. Come on. Mild sauce.
I'll be in Chi-Town.
Maybe we get some meatballs from Edda's. You know what I'm saying? What you know about that? Maybe we find out if it's Geno's or Giordano's. Maybe we see what's what. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we see what's what. I think, it'd be so dope if it could happen. The trade live from the CME. Now that would be something. I run a trade room live from the CME.
I was looking that up recently. That's the Chicago, the Mercantile Exchange.
Yeah, that's them, baby.
Wow.
That's them.
Yeah.
That's the
I
one.
gotta learn my history, man. Yeah.
Man, look at here. Chicago is such a fantastic city, very resilient. It was started by a Haitian man, and the name Chicago is a Native American word that means stinky onion. It was a trading post. It was a post for people who were going north to south and east to west. Became a very, very popular trading post. Very, very popular group. It was another one of those cities that was blessed because it was rich in resources and close to water. Very rich in resources, very close to water. Almost lost the city in the turn of the century. They rebuilt it back better, faster, stronger. And, in my opinion, is where you learn how to play dirty at. Chicago's a town where playing dirty is cool. Dog, yeah, I'm back from tour, dog. What's good, Q? I'm back. Where you at? I'm pulling up on you, team. I got your birthday gift here at the house. I ain't seen the bros in forever. I gotta pull up on you. But I love Chicago, man. Great musicians. Great musicians, man. You could go to Chicago and walk inside of any spot and get some real music. I'm talking about good too. Whatever kind you're looking for. Whatever kind you're looking for. Anybody else in the red?
The defense made me 400, so I'm good.
Feel me? Cover. Tactics and techniques. That's what makes traders traders. Who getting long off of fours and fives now? Who getting long? Fours and fives? Anybody getting long?
Order filled.
I was looking at 97.
You're looking at what's that?
ES 97.
ES 97 is long.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully. But if you're gonna get a 97, you might as well get a 94.
Okay, the bounce.
I ain't mad. I'm not mad about it. If you're gonna get that, you might as well get the other one. I'm hoping that you don't get either of them. I'm hoping that they take off right now. This candle is about halfway done. It's really big and red, so that's very promising. I'm hoping that they turn around, bing, and we go the other way. Kind of in this area, hopefully. Kind of want to do it from here. Oh,
Jay,
I need to check all the frames again one more time. Nobody else is in the red. We good? All right, let's see what happened. Here's a 4 hour. Brooklyn, you said something, bro?
Yeah, I've been able to pass like 8 to 9 combines, but I have not gotten the payout once I reach the funded stage in those accounts.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and it's like a self-sabotaging thing, like a self-destruction
Mm-hmm.
thing. Like,
Mm-hmm.
but I really been trying to do what you said, like as far as focusing on what I'm doing off the charts and how I'm really living,
Mm-hmm.
and then kind of reverse engineering that and applying it to the trading.
Yeah.
Um, I really loved when you talked about the contrarian thinking. I went to Claude and I asked it to do like an etymology over that, and I really like being able to go into that thought process of like, why did I do X, Y, and Z?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What were the results of those? How did I feel before doing those actions? And like,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, all of it. But I'm at one of those blocks. It's like the level
Mm-hmm.
was to pass the combine, so then I did that. Now I've done that 8 times, and then it's like now it's just getting the
Mm-hmm.
payout. Um, that's the next level. So I know there's a blocking phase that I need to surpass or overcome, and
Mm-hmm.
I would like your help with that.
Okay. We got 6 minutes. I got to do that. And I think I can fold that into what I was going to teach Jasper. Ready? Here we go. What you have is called San Antonio Spurs disease. You ready?
Yeah.
This is also very, very normal. We can call it Leon-Lett disease as well, is what some people call it. Um, what tends to happen is you have a finish line, right? Let's call that the finish line right here. And just before the finish line, you have, uh, let's switch colors. Let's call this the victory line. At the victory line, you know that you'll make it to the finish line. So you begin to celebrate.
Order filled.
What happens when you celebrate is you break form. You break form. Break form. Like, I know I'm gonna get it. So you just start doing whatever you want to do. And you never quite get to where you want to do. So the idea isn't, I don't want to date her, I want to marry her. But now that you're married, you got to say, oh, we're married. Now I can't wait to be a parent with her. Now, once that happens, you gotta keep pushing the line. You see what I'm saying? If you say victory is getting passing a combine, you're telling your mind, your body, your nerve, everything that that's victory. So your body does the exact job, pass the combine. That's it. If you tell yourself, no, the goal is my first $10,000 payout. What happens is what they tell runners in track. They say you have to maintain your form through the line. Like you can't run the race and then your last 15 meters break form. Stay in form. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is mentality. Jasper, you still on here? Yes,
I
no?
am. I
Okay.
am.
Filled.
So I want you to think, it's two ways you can think about making money. You think about it like a plane, or you think about it like a race. Those are the ways that you think about it. You can't run your first 10 meters like you're going to run your fifth 10 meters in the 100. Like your drive phase is a different phase. And a plane can't behave for takeoff the same way it'll behave when it's at 30,000 feet. That behavior, if it tries to behave the same way, you'll break the plane at 30,000 feet. Like there's a way you behave when you're going down the runway and you're taking off. And then there's a way you behave at 30,000 feet. You can't do the same thing in different phases. When you're trying to make money out of the market, I would say break it up into
Order
first, I
filled.
would break it up into $5,000 increments. Say you start with a grand. And I'm telling you from experience, I'm not trying to tell you nothing crazy for anybody that's like, how does he know? Okay, one time my students thought that I
Order
was a
filled.
Like they literally said, Jay, but we ain't never seen you do this before. Like that's literally what my student said. Jay, we ain't never seen you do that before. So I showed him how to do it. Okay. You take a little bit of money and you turn into a lot of money. That's my real name and my real account. Okay. That first phase is almost like a takeoff. Okay. So let's talk about it like this. First phase, takeoff. What you want to do is gather energy and speed. You also want to lock down anything that can move for safety. Just like a plane, dog, just like a plane. And have no fear. It's funny, people pray for their flights once they about to take off, but you will never see people at 30,000 feet praying again. Most dangerous times in a plane, taking off and landing. Most dangerous. So your first phase is really a taking off. You're supposed to be gathering energy, gathering speed. You clear the runway for real. What does that look like? Clearing the time, clearing the stuff off your mind, making sure nothing's in the way of your progress. You don't allow that. And if something is, call off the takeoff. Just call it off. You know what I'm saying? Like if you have a lot on your mind that day and you know you can't really trade, you don't want to, hey man, you don't have to trade every day in order to make this money. Okay, gathering energy and gathering speed. What to me, what that looks like is the gathering of information and reasons, confirmations to go in the direction that you want to go. Lock down anything that can move for safety. If you notice, they don't serve drinks during takeoff. I don't care what your role is. They're not serving drinks during takeoff. If you have some drinks before takeoff, they're going to ask you to hold on to them. You're going to be in a seatbelt. They're going to lock you down. So anything that can move, you want to really make sure it's locked in. I'm talking about your temperament, your structure, whatever it is that you're doing on a day-to-day basis, your trading type, your trading methodology, your time frames. Everything should be very locked in. And then have no fear. I think fear kills more traders than any candle ever could. We're so afraid of being, of becoming, of doing. We're so very afraid of this. And I think that's the devil. You know what I'm saying? Leaving the ground is fine. You know what I'm saying? Like you're taking off. So like when you get up higher, the relationship between you and everything else is gonna change. Yeah, I mean, you're not on the same level as trees anymore. You're not going to be so hey, your friends might not understand. Your parents, your spouse, your children, people don't understand because you're taking off, you're changing levels. So have no fear about leaving whatever's on the ground. Leave it. You don't need it. Okay. Second phase. I like to call this phase leaving the ground and realizing it. Realizing. Have you ever seen the movies where they tell you, hey, don't look down, don't look down, don't look down. And then the person looks down and realizes that they're that high?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Don't look down, don't look down, don't look down. Like what looking down? So don't look down. That's the point. Don't look down. To me, don't look down means we have a tendency as traders to go, oh my God, well, hey, I got 30 bands in the account. And then we kind of like psych ourselves out of what we are. You know what I'm saying? It's weird. It's like weird energy. It's almost like you didn't know you could fly, so now you're flying and you're going, oh my God, I'm flying. Sure, you can fly. It's fine. Relax. Don't look down. Like looking down is almost like looking back, looking at the old version of you, looking at what you used to do, where you used to go, how you used to think, what you used to believe. You gotta don't look down. Okay. The second thing that I want you to do during this phase is keep climbing. Keep climbing. Yes, you're no longer on the ground, but you're not at cruising altitude yet. You're not at cruising altitude. Cruising altitude is when it's very hard to mess up flight in the course. It's almost like trading with one micro when you have $100,000 in your account. It's very hard to lose money at that time, but you're not there yet. You're still driving a bit. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to get into like your afterburner cruise control type of behavior yet. You still kind of want to keep the pressure on. Hey, still remaining tight, still remaining disciplined, still losing when you should, still keeping that stop in place, still remaining, you know what I'm saying? Keep that. Okay. To me, second phase kicks in my opinion, somewhere around 20 grand. That first phase, you're gonna stay tight. I know you probably like, Jay, man, like 10K. I can't like, nah. I want you to stay very tight your first phase, your first $20,000. I want you more mad that your stop got hit in profit than anything else. You know what I'm saying? Like you're always covering, always making the money, always, you know what I'm saying? Walking away 700, 800. You know what I'm saying? 800, 1,000, maybe 1,200, 500. But I want everything you getting, you kind of covering it in that first phase. Your second phase is kind of when you leave it on and kind of, okay, I think it's gonna go. Let's watch this here. You know what I'm saying? That first phase, I'm targeting, grabbing everything, so keep climbing in that second phase. Keep climbing, keep the pressure on. Okay.
Resilience.
I'm sorry.
Resilience.
I mean, you're gonna need that throughout the whole thing. But what happens in flight is that there's more pressure under you than on top of you. That's really like, that's how you do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, truth is, it's way more lifting me than holding me down. That's how you achieve flight. So you're going to need resilience, I think, through every phase. But in phase two is more along the lines of keep climbing. Don't think that your success is wrong. Don't go back to your old way of thinking. Don't talk yourself out of the journey. If the plane shakes a little bit, that's fine. You're not going to crash. You'll be just fine. Keep doing what you know you should be doing. You'll probably do second phase clear to 50K. 1,000. And I mean, it's a grind. You know what I'm saying? 1,500, 1,500, 1,000, 1,500, 800. Maybe you have a day where you lose 500, you lose 600. You still want to just remain calm. Remain calm and do the job you know you're supposed to do. Third phase to me is kind of when you can start coasting a little bit. And this is above 50K. This is coast. Coast and direction. At this point, like one thing that's really cool is planes never lose track of the tower and the tower never lose tracks of planes. So you really want coaching, remaining close to the community. I think all of these are good things. I really would suggest them. What happens to students typically is that they give up on the success because they stop doing the basics. Okay. What are the basics? In here, you're coasting in direction. Adhere to loss limits. When you lose on these days, it's fine. You don't have to win them all up here. Okay. You want to lock in on where you're going, not even that you left where you were. That's over now. It's obvious you know how to fly. It's obvious you know how to do what you do. But now you're locking in on the target. So if the goal is $1 million, $500,000, you're really locking in. You might have 75,000 on you. You might be saying, okay, well, I can go 2,000 a day. If I go 2,000 a day, yo, what's up? Hold on. I think these guys out here to treat the yard. Give me 1 second.
Metaphors is crazy.
Man, that boy speaking facts, huh?
For real, for real. It's like another metaphor is like if you read the Bible when Peter started walking over water and then looked down.
1000%.
Real talk, JD. Real talk.
It's easy to get past the combine, but to get that first payout is
The
discipline.
same thing, bro. It's like when people be like, yo, you changed, you got money. Sometimes, like JC said, nah, you changed. Not me, you changed
You
because I
changed because
got
I
money.
got money.
You changed because I can.
So it's not you doing the same thing you're doing in the combine. It's even harder in the combine. It's just we that change in our mind.
But
Yeah.
it's that mental aspect for a lot, including myself, where it's like, all right, I know I can pass the combine easy. I can do
Yeah.
that in 2 days, maybe even one day, depending on how I play my cards. But when you get into that PA, you something doesn't click to where, like you said, what Jay been saying, you don't follow what you've been doing to get to that point. Now you start to get greedy because you're like, all right, I can make the money, I can get to that payout.
Mhm.
And all it takes is one day, one trade to change it all.
You know the
I think
truth is, Chaz, everybody's heroic at paintball. People don't do all that stupid stuff in a real gunfight.
Sure.
And we, for some reason, we stopped playing paintball. When we in the combine, it's paintball. So we so bold and brave, so macho. You know what I'm saying? Then for some reason, when we get live, we like, oh God, like this is real. I can lose for real now. So you stop being yourself. You stop being normal. It it's I see it all the time. People say, Jay, I'm doing the same thing all the time. Then I say, okay, well, like my mentees or something like that. I'll say, okay, cool, trade ops. So come on and let me see. I'm gonna watch you trade. I watch them trade. They sit up, they make $1,100 with me watch, $1,200 with me watch. They might make it in 10, 12 minutes. How many mentees on here have literally seen folks do this? So I say, what do you think is the
all the
problem?
time.
They say, I don't know. It's just when I'm by myself. Okay. Oh, I get it. Because that's how we act. Think about it. When I never this is what I remember this. And a baby makes a woman a mother. A baby. The first time that hit me, it might have been 12 years ago. But think about how a baby is just a little baby. A baby don't know how to do nothing. But that little baby turned a woman into a mom.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? So it's powerful. The little thing, it's the little thing that's powerful. And the cool thing about having a kid is that you know how they say a kid settles you down. When you by yourself, you wow. When you have that kid and you love that kid, stuff that you would normally do, you don't do it anymore.
Facts.
You would normally pop off. You would normally do this. So the kid becomes an anchor for your character. You become a better person because there's someone depending on you. And that someone is just a little baby. Man, but when you have a little baby, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, when I had a little baby, bro, I would be at work trying to break my neck getting out of there so I can go home and see that little kid. Man, that little kid, I get a text message, the little kid know how to do something new. The little kid can roll over. So now I'm at the house with the kid on the bed between two pillows, trying to make the kid roll over because I want to see it. You know what I'm saying? Like you get so excited. The kid constrains you. Jay, what are you talking about? When you on coast and direction and adhering to the loss limit, locking on the target, you have to find the constraint. Because what people say, listen to me, this is so very important. People will say, I want to learn how to make money, Jay. Well, if you go through phase one and phase two, you already know. So if all your goal was to make money, you know how to make money. But what people don't say is, I want to be consistent and take this money so that every month, no matter what, I know how to make X amount of dollars. And I want to be able to do that for X amount of months as proof to myself. That is something that will constrain you. You need constraints, like a seatbelt, like you need something that will keep you safe. Because when you get up here, the check engine light is not on, the fasten seatbelt light go off. You can move around the cabin. We start serving drinks. People up there watching shows. They asking everybody what's the Wi-Fi password to the flight. You know what I'm saying? You falling asleep. You know what I'm saying? 20 minutes ago, you was praying to the Lord. Lord, get us up here safely in Jesus' name. You know, now you so comfortable, you sleep. You have to find something that will constrain you to behaving properly while you're up there because you're in a very dangerous position when you got $90,000, $150,000 in your account. Because what is losing $10,000 at that point? It don't even matter. Really, you got $300,000 in your account and you lose 10K in one day. You don't even feel it. But you do it 3, 4, 5 days in a row. And then for like your hard work goes away. So the dangerous thing in this phase 3, is your success. Your job is to coast and find the direction. Hey, I'm going over there and I'm going to adhere to loss limits and lock in on the target. I'm also going to find the one thing that can constrain me. If you go into a cockpit while them people flying, they got so many different buttons and so many different things. I got a friend that passed flight school and he's a flight instructor now. It's so many different things. And all of those little gears tell you something. You'll hear a little whistle, woo, 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 and all these little things mean something. And you have to know, hey, I'm running a little hot on my aggression. Hey, I'm getting a little angry. You know what I'm saying? I gotta watch that. Hey, I'm getting a little fearful. Gotta dial back that fear. Hey, I'm getting a little bit egotistical. Gotta watch that. You know what I'm saying? Watch that little gear right. Hey, I'm kind of breaking my trading rules because I'm having hunches. I gotta watch how I'm having hunches. You know, it's almost like you just gotta keep everything right where it is. Don't let anything get out of control. Everything right where it is. So you find those limits, man. Hey, if I have a day where I lose X, I'm going to chill the next day because I know after I have big losing days, I like to come back swinging because I feel like I need it all back. So just little checkpoints you find in yourself. Okay. The last thing that's difficult is your last phase 4, hitting the target. I want you to notice what you see on here. When I get to the end, I lose it almost 3 times in a row. I have like 3 big pullbacks off of P&Ls. Huge. You see it? Big drop. Smaller drop, but still a drop. And then finally figuring out this is not a technical problem. This is an emotional issue. I should have made the profit target. If things are what they should be, I should have targeted probably day 37.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
You see it?
Yep.
It got to 42 days. I had these extra days because the like how to land the plane becomes such a dangerous thing. It's like, hey, I've arrived. I've made it. Conditions change because now you're almost at the payout or you're just about to pass the combine or all you need is 80 more dollars and you can request a payout. Those are some of the most dangerous $80 that you're ever going to try and make, because they're right there within your grasp. So what you want to do is reach for them and break form. Wrong. You got to go right back to your first phase. Slow down. Drop contract size. Look for trouble. Take only the trades you would risk your life on. Have no fear. It's the same thing as taking off, but it's like opposite. Because emotionally, when we get so close to success, that's when we break form. You're going to have more arguments with your fiance the day before the wedding than you will any other time because it's just so much pressure. Like when you're going to do the thing, like here comes the thing. You know what I'm saying? Like we've been watching the World Cup. Can you see where was France? Who was that? Who played that game against Spain? That wasn't France. You know what I'm saying? But the closer you get to the title, it's almost like the more discipline and more constraint. You got to take that coasting mentality off and you got to lock back in. Okay. $3,000 left to go. We've been using how many contracts? Oh, 5 contracts. Hey, let's lower that. Let's lower that. Let's use 2. You know what I'm saying? Let's lower that. Well, man, if we just use 5, we can be done today. Hey, but if we use 2, we can coast in. We don't put any of the money that we already have at risk. Just coast your way in. To me, that's how you do it. This like idea of first phase, second phase, third phase, fourth phase. You want to kind of get lift off, gathering the energy, making sure nothing's in your way, and focus on just the changing of space. Have no fear. Don't be afraid to leave anything behind, leave anything on the ground. Your second phase is going to kick in my opinion, around about 20K. I want you to stay tight as you can for as long as you can. When you get to 20, something happens because you've been using 2 contracts and you realize you could use 40. So you start, I don't know, kind of like wilding a little bit. So that's when people first start having their first $10,000 days, $5,000 days. And it's kind of hitting them that, oh my God, I got a skill that's going to change everything in my life. So they start counting money before it show up. Ooh, I'm gonna buy this. Ooh, I'm gonna get that. Ooh,
That's one of my problems. I took my fire your boss stuff and I started applying it to passing combines and trading and stuff like that. And I'm like, yeah, I'm playing it the wrong way.
Bruh. Don't
Versus
look
just
down.
embracing the process. That's what you like.
That's it.
Embrace the journey, embrace the
Embrace
process.
that. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir. Don't look down on them. Okay. Yeah, there will be a lot of money to spend at some point, but all I want to do is spend my time making sure these candles saying what I want them to say. That's
Right.
it. I just want to do that. I think the next thing is, keep climbing. Like you think that you've had great days. They'll blow your mind soon. For real, they will blow your mind soon. I have students that I've talked to, they text message me, Jay, Jay, what is this? Jay, I just made $43,000. Jay, I just made 80 grand. Jay, I just made $70,000 in one day. Jay, I'm in a parking lot at a grocery store and made $12,000 before I walked in. What's going on? I get it. Relax. It's fine. Keep climbing. Keep your form. Keep your form. Phase 3 is the dangerous area where you have, like, it might be your first time. Let's be honest, if it's your first time touching paper, because everybody, how many people will be honest with me on here? Everybody know when they get that first check, they going to Jacob. Kanye just the only one that said it. But we get that big check, what's the first thing we doing? Oh, y'all gonna leave me out here by myself.
Jerry, maybe.
I got a couple past due bills. I won't get specific.
Jacob the jeweler.
Somebody said it. I got a couple past due bills. I won't get specific. You know what I'm saying? Like the truth is, when we get that first piece of money, you look at your trading account, you look at your brokerage account, and it got 6 figures in it, high 6 figures in it. You start moving different. I know I did. What? I'm talking about, man, that's the dangerous spot because now getting hit doesn't hurt. And it's your first time really touching paper this way. So in this situation, it's not like you're doing anything wrong, but keep all of the alarms on for everything. Greed, fear, pride, ego, hubris, lack of constraint. Just everything that could throw you off, just watch it. Everything that could, just watch it. You really want to watch it. And then find direction, lock in on the target. Hey, I started in New York. I'm going to Paris. Hey, we just getting out good over the Atlantic. It's no time to say we made it. Mm-mm. Let's check everything. Check the engines, check the flaps, check the wheels, check everything. Where's our weight right now? Hey, is everything all right? Check the staff. Is everything secure? Do we have any problems? Is everything all right on the plane? And then we're going to watch these dials. We're going to watch these levels. Am I adhering to my trade rules every day? Am I starting to trade off of a hunch? Am I patient still? Do I think that just because I got 50 contracts, I'm going to use them all every day in order to make the money? I'm going to tell you, it don't take 50 contracts to make 10 grand in a day. Man, you make $10,000 in a day, 2 to 4 contracts. Y'all saw me do it on the NASDAQ short. It don't take all that money. Trust me, you got $90,000, you got 180 contracts. You don't need all of those, not unless you're trying to lose this bread today. So really, hey, contract usage, time in the market. Hey, I came here for an hour. It used to take me an hour. I traded from 8 to 9. Hey, I'm going to be trading from 8 to 9. I'm not going to sit in front of this computer all day. Hey, I'm here to just make the money, get up, go where I need to go, do my thing. Boom. And then you just coast there. Stay connected. Hey, Jay, I have a question. Hey, man, I'm in the trade room. Just stay connected to the tower. Because I'm telling you, you start flying places where nobody in your family ever flew. Nobody flying. Hey, it get real crazy out there before you know it. You fly into a storm. You don't know what's going on. You'll kill yourself and everybody else. The danger out here is just not paying attention to the system. You got to. And definitely find the constraint. Find the thing that makes you stop and get up. Find it. Love it. Find the thing that governs you. Find those rules. Stay on them. Somebody on T said, Ricky said, blow a check. You feel me? You got to do that. Then phase 4 is when it's time to land. It is when you see the thing you've been dreaming about the whole time. Imagine you're a pilot, you take off from Atlanta, you got to fly to the Maldives. You got to fly. Man, you know how long that person been trying to get back on the ground? You finally see the runway. That's the most dangerous time. You still got to go through your checks. I'm 400 miles away. I'm calling the next tower. I'm making sure I got clearance. The new country need to know that I'm a plane. I'm identifying myself. All the things that they have to do on a flight, you got to do it. Hey, Jay, relax, be calm. We got $5 more thousand until we get to where we're going. Hey, once we get to where we're going, we said we was gonna make that withdrawal so we can do this thing over here that we're trying to do for the family. Hey, we're just gonna take it nice and easy. We're gonna coast our way in here, Jay. Hey, we don't need as much throttle anymore. We don't need it. Hey, dropping contracts. We don't need 20 contracts anymore. Hey, drop them down. Hey, what's going on out here? Did y'all y'all clapped everything away from the runway? We don't have any living beings. What about the wind shear? You know what I'm saying? You're looking for any trouble trying to land, any at all. Because if it don't feel good, if a landing don't feel good, you'll see a pilot knock, hey, I don't like this one. I'm gonna circle around, do it, try and do it again. Anybody
Yeah,
ever
bro.
been on a flight like that? You think you're
All the
about to
time.
land, the pilot say, nah, we're gonna go around one more time. I didn't like what I saw there. The
All the
tower
time.
might say it. I don't like what we seeing. Hey, this is when you're calm. We know we're gonna get there. Take your calm. Okay, and then have no fear. You feel me? Have no fear. You can do
Listening
it.
to this, listening to you right now, I was able to calm myself and secure my first payout. Passing the combine to me was the easy part. It's securing the payout, that patience, that psychology. Man, I thank you, bro. Thank you.
You're very, very welcome. You're very, very welcome, man. I'm proud of you, T. Y'all praise him up. He got a payout.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yo,
Congratulations.
congrats,
What
yo.
time is it?
T,
What time
Time to
is it?
collect.
It's
What
time to
time is it?
collect. It's
Time to
time to
collect.
collect.
What's up, baby?
Time to collect. All right, way
Congratulations.
to
What's up,
It's
baby?
go.
time to collect, man. It's time to
To God,
collect.
to God be the glory. Thank God.
Yeah, man. God is
Absolutely,
good.
without a doubt.
Yes.
Without a
God is
doubt.
good. Man, you know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful thing. And you know what also matters? I like to say this. God uses people. Thank God you made yourself available for usage. It's not easy doing what you just did. It's scary. Most people burn out. You know the real statistics on combines, no lie. 1% of people who take a combine pass. 10% of people who pass get to the payout. Those are real numbers.
Wow.
Do you know how rare the air is that you're in right now? Very rare. Very, very rare.
Wow.
1%. 100 people take a combine, one of them pass. 99 of them fail, and they got to rebook. If you get them to do it, if you get 10 people to pass a combine, you finally get one that'll get a payout. So congratulations to you, T-Rob. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Very rare error. Those are real numbers. That's not from me. I think Top Step put those numbers out a couple months ago.
Yep, they did.
Top Step
But
put
I
those
do want to say this, Jake.
What's up, bro?
Bullies live in the 1%, baby.
Oh,
I'm just letting you know. I'm just letting you know. Bullies live in the 1%, baby.
We so good, they kick us out of the combines. We can't even use them no more.
That's true. That's true.
It's so many of my students. Apex won't even let them. You know how you go to Vegas and they got people picture hanging up in the security. That's how they got the bond bullies on the combines, man. They don't even let us be in there. Y'all gonna take the money out the casino.
So is there a link that I can get and join your Zoom, your subscription somehow?
Oh, sure. Sure. Let me see. You go to Jada Trader. Everything is off of Jada Trader Cares. Let me see if I hold on. Right click. Go here. Oh, you know what? Let me see. Go to Jada. I'll walk it all the way through. JadaTraderCares.com and then products trade room. It's a great time to be in the trade room now because your first 2 months are 99 bucks.
I can use my payout money to get more education, bro.
If you do.
Can you post that in the chat, please?
Sure.
The link?
Sure.
Thank you.
You're very, very welcome.
Alicia put it in the chat.
Thank you.
I see it. Thank you.
It's all good. That's really what you want to do. That's the phases. Jasper, that's the phases. It takes a long time. That first phase, grinding, think about it. If it's $500 a day, you saying that that's 2 months of time just to get to the phase where you can keep climbing. If it's 1,000 a day, cool, you out of there in a month. If you have a 20% losing ratio, let's say you lose 20% of the days you trade. So out of 20 days, you're going to lose 4 of them. If you adhere to your loss limits the way that you should, the way that you've been taught, maybe in a month and a half, you out of the first phase. It's not an easy thing to do. It takes a lot of the patience. You feel me? But once you get out of that phase, it really smooths itself out in phase 3 because you start making up for lost time. Like that first phase, you was making $500, $300, $400, $600. You was canning everything you get everything you can. You know what I'm saying? Your targets are really close. Your stops are really fast. Everything is really, you know what I'm saying? It's that kind of day. But bro, if you hold on for maybe 80 trading days, if you can get 4 months, you'll get somewhere around, to me, phase 3 is somewhere around 50K. At $50,000, you got 100 contracts. At this point, you're making $1,000. I mean, almost at will. You know what I'm saying? Like imagine you're a NASDAQ trader. If you got $50,000, let's say you're using 8 contracts.
Order filled.
Look at the P&L. You see how fast you can go to 1,000? It's so much speed. So picking up 500, 800, it's so much speed to it. You see, like that's $1,000. Bing. So what happens is having those days, like once you get to 50, the danger is over leverage because it can go green really fast. It can go red really fast. So it's almost like when you have a lot of contracts, you really need to adhere to your rules because if you break rules, you get broke. You see this? But that's all. That's it. Once you get there, bro, Man, the dangers of success. So you have to really like dial in everything. Make sure you're keeping yourself calm. Are you breathing? Are you still checking all your time frames? Just going through your normal book. Pilots, they not up there just kicking it. They really do have procedures all the time they have to go through. They got to check different stuff all the time. They not up there just drinking Mai Tais, flying a plane. You see what I'm saying? You always want to go through your checks. But you do that, bro. Jasper, you done. I'm talking about you done.
Jay,
That makes
send
sense?
me the invoice for the PowerPoint, man.
What you say, bro?
Send me the invoice for the PowerPoint, man.
Love to you, big
I need
dog.
to be
Love.
able to do this from time to time. Jay, you got to package this up so we can refer to it and not be blessed when you
I
decide
will.
to share it.
What I'm gonna do, if everybody, y'all want me to put something like this, put this training up on YouTube or something like that.
Yep. Now, see, hold on now. Hold on.
Yeah, I mean,
Hold on now. Hold
I
on.
need to
That
I need to
sound
record it because I got it
exclusive, brother.
linked.
That sound a little exclusive. Hold on with the YouTube. Hold
Hey
on.
man, what I'll do is after this over, I'll cut off the end. We'll throw it on YouTube. And we'll put a nice title up there for it. And then we'll teach people how to move through the phases of earning this money in the market because you can't trade on day 80 with $80,000 the same way you was trading in phase one when all you had was 800. It's going to be a different mentality, a different set of
Alicia said you already know, post it in the community. You already
Okay.
know. And then
Okay.
let them folks know where to come and join us in the community, yo.
For
Just go
sure.
ahead and drop.
For sure.
Uh-huh.
If you are interested in learning more, you can go to join.jthetradercares.com and it'll bring you here. So that's join.jthetradercares.com and you'll be right in here. Okay. And all of this stuff, man, is really, really for your benefit. We want you to win in every phase of the market and your life.
Do me a huge favor while you're there. Click on that live section. Just click on that. Just to let
Live.
them see. You see, there's some videos there for you to learn from, yo. I done been through them. I don't know who else been through them. I done put my check mark on, my thumbs up. But you
That's
got to
love.
be through them, man. You got to get through this information. It's all there to help you build. We
Right.
ain't out here playing this. We out here helping people, educating
Yeah.
people. Let's do
Yeah.
this. All right.
Straight up. Straight up. Thank you,
We all
DG.
we got, but that's cool.
We all we
We
need.
all we need.
We all we need, man. I think
All we need.
I think that's pretty cool, man. Any other questions about this campaigning and taking it to the
I
next level? Any questions?
I only have basic questions having to do with the different levels of membership, how I can at least get a hold of some training so I can see the value before dropping, the 2 grand or 3 grand that I see at the bottom of the page. I'm just
Oh,
trying to,
you should probably I would do this. I would do the fast track. If it's not that, you want to go here. That's where you're gonna get some education. If you want to see training and other like the way I teach and how that goes, you can go to YouTube and there's so many videos. Um, videos of me trading live in the market, like what I'm doing right now, videos of all kinds of things. So you can check out the educational style there. If you want to know about what kind of teacher I am, I made it the very, very first post. And if anybody wants to keep adding to it, you can go to my profile. But I basically ask people, this is for my students only. If you're not one of my students, you don't have to do this. My students comment below. What is it like being coached by me, led by me, etc. So you can find out what people literally have to say about me. You know what I'm saying?
let's see.
And you can just read
I'm
that.
not getting the same header that you're getting to get over to the different courses. It's like
Oh, if
there
you
was
go to
two links that were
jthetradercares.com, visit this
okay. All right, so this is a different website.
visit
Okay, that's better. Okay,
jthetradercares.com. Yeah,
all
go to
right.
there.
Thank you.
In the background, you'll see I was teaching some kids right there. Those are beautiful students at New World School of the Arts. They had a market competition, and they were like, "Yo, teach us a little bit more so we can go win our market competition." They end up going to win the market competition as well. But that day with the students, I think we made about 2 grand that day. The kids called the trades. I taught them
Okay,
for an hour, then I let them trade my account live after that, and they made some money for me. So
nice.
I'm not mad.
Can
If you go there and then go
nice.
to fast track bundle, that'll be where you want to go.
Okay, and let me ask a
No,
couple stupid questions. I
it's not stupid,
apologize.
bro. It's all good. It's
It
all right.
it Will, all right, so for that, for the grand or whatever the case may be, that there'll be some A+ setups in there that I could back trade on to see
Yeah.
what the track
Yeah,
record's
it's
like,
the
or
stuff it's the stuff that I use today in the market is in there.
okay.
Also, the reason why I said it as well, because you were saying like to get involved in the community, that also comes with a month in the trade room. So you'll be in the trade room for a month with that program as well. So it's like education and access to the live community. You feel me?
Okay.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right,
that's
thank
in
you.
there too. Oh, you're very, very welcome. Y'all praise him up, man. Praise him up. Praise him up.
Way to go.
Yeah, man. I think it's
Let's go.
I'm gonna be very honest. I think that it's time for everybody to get involved in that game. Get involved in that game, that market game. Trade it, invest it, swing it. PE ratios, 10Ks, 8Ks, earnings reports. You know what I'm saying? Liquidity, trending. Just start getting into it because it's the type of game that pays you better the moment you become better. And there's no other game like that. Some folks that get a job, they get a starting salary, they get better at the job, they still got the same salary. You know what I'm saying? Imagine how much better you are in 2 years at your job and you still getting paid as though it's your first day, not in trading. The moment you get better as a trader, you get a raise. The market gives you one straight up. And I like that. I like that. I like that. Any other questions?
All good.
Okay, tonight I'll see everybody. Look out for emails, text messages. I'm gonna see everybody tonight at 8, especially new folks. We get a chance to kind of go back and forth a little bit. I get a chance to show you a little bit more about the community, about myself, about the opportunity that's in front of us all. So I think it's a great time to get involved in markets.
Okay.
Okay. So I see
Same
tonight I'm
link. Bring
checking
your
messages
people,
at
yo.
work. No one needed after you. Hope Venus say at work, no one needed after you. Hope to catch you in DC. I see you in DC. D Collier. Oh yeah, D Collier's got all kinds of workouts that he wants me to do. Yeah, yeah. Somehow they didn't say it on Zoom. I don't know. I don't want to. No, I'm just joking. I appreciate that, bro. Thank you. Hey, look, man. We all know what time it is in the world right now. It's time to collect. It is time to
Time
collect.
to go collect.
Whatever you came for, whatever
Mhm.
you out here to get,
Getting
consider me
to the
your official sign. You know how people say, Lord, send me a sign. Hello, my name is Jay. I'm your sign. Go get it. Go get it. You want to write that play? Go write that play. You want to write that book? Go write that book. You want to teach little kids how to hold a fork at an etiquette school? Open your etiquette school. Yes. You wanted to paint and sell your paintings? Do it. You want to learn how to trade this market? Come on and get this. You see what I'm saying? It's your
okay.
time now. It's time to collect. And not just the money, but collect the dreams, collect the travel, collect the memories. You know what I'm saying? Collect all of that. It's your time, man. It's time to collect out here. We're not playing. It's really our time. If you a bomb bully, peace to you. And if you not, man, you better become one. Because it's that time. We about to really do it. So I'll see you guys tonight, okay? I'll see you tonight, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Much love, man. Y'all know what time it is, right?
Time to
Time to
collect.
collect.
Time to collect,
Time
baby.
to collect. Time to collect.
With a bonnet on. Yeah.
10 million, baby.
10 million.